My fault, of course. Yo, what up? Trader Shop fam. We don't have any music today. We decided to go. I'm playing. Speaking of music, before we get started, y'all heard the Kendrick Lamar diss? Oh my god, I had that on repeat all weekend. That thing was
we get
fire.
our weekly on the news from Justin.
It's not even the news like that. It's just a fire.
Nobody look. Let me tell you what everybody needs to be paying. Let me tell you what everybody needs to be.
J. Cole.
Nah, let me tell you what everybody needs to be paying attention to. Okay, this is what everybody needs to be paying attention to. The mother-loving Bears is about to win.
The Chicago Bears.
The Chicago Bears is about to win the freaking 2025 Super Bowl. Let's go.
Now stop. They're not about to win the 2025 Super Bowl.
Let's go.
There's somebody called Patrick Mahomes on the other side that is definitely going to make sure.
Well, we going. We may not win, but we going.
Okay, well.
The Bears is kicking butt in the offseason, bro. The Bears is kicking butt in the offseason. I'm just saying. I'm looking for my Top Step joint right now, but I'll check that later. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Trader Shop. Starting a new week in the red for me. Absolutely got my butt kicked by these markets last night. Trying to be a bull, trying to continuously long the market when the market was clearly bearish, right? But things happen. No love lost. Nothing bad happened. I hit my max loss, and it's my personal max loss limit. And if you guys were here on Friday, I told myself I wasn't gonna trade Friday and I wasn't gonna trade Monday because I felt like the losses coming. Like I could just smell them. They were like right around the corner, right? And I kept telling my Discord. So maybe I talked myself into the losses. I don't know. Either way it goes, I'm gonna take a day or so to just kind of recalibrate my brain, or just wait for the market to turn back bullish, right? Because I just trade bullish activity so much better. That being said, I'm off camera today, but I'm in full effect. I just worked out a little bit too hard this weekend and ended up pulling. I don't know if I pulled a muscle in my back, but I definitely aggravated it. So like sitting is just not fun for me right now. So I'm standing in my little makeshift standing desk right now, and yeah. So hope everybody had a good weekend. I hope you guys are ready to make some money this week. And as much as what is Justin doing? What are you doing over there?
My wife is trying to poison me. She just throws me a pill and tells me to take it. And then she's like, "Oh, it's vitamin C." I'm like, "Where's the package?"
I'm looking at the camera. I'm like, "What is Justin doing over there?"
I'm telling her I don't trust her. She out here trying to kill me with the vitamin C pill.
Tell her to go work. We at work right now.
Right?
Take your butt to work. But anyway, let's jump right into this pre-market plan. She don't got nothing to say to you till you come on camera, I swear. Let's jump right into this pre-market plan, right? And I'll show you guys kind of what I'm looking at the market and how I'm looking at the market and how I probably should have looked at the market last night. So let's go up to NQ and then we'll see the macro. Macro says massive sell-off. Alert, the market is dumping, right? The market is pulling back in the overnight session and is starting to fill in the gap from FOMC. We can look to play bounces inside the 30-minute demand or at the daily fib, or look to continue shorting on supply retest, right? That's going to be important because where we are is the last demand zone, right? Structurally, this area right here is the last of the Mohican, right? This is the last demand zone before we go on a massive little slide straight down. This area right here is holding price up right now. But you can see we broke through yet another structure. After breaking through this structure, we broke through this structure. So the market's going to continue to be bearish until we start to put in some more highs, right? That being said, if we get through this level, it's going to be a straight slide to the 300s, 384, and then all the way down to like 291.50. So definitely got my bearish hat on today. So let's jump over here to my my bearish plan. If I can find it, I don't know what the heck happened. Oh, it's all the way over to the right, but how come I can't see it? Let's go to the daily. This thing's way over here. Why is it over here? Okay, anyway, put it right there. Okay. All right, cool. So my first bearish plan is on the 1 hour. there's a 1 hour supply zone right here. I'll open it up here in a second, but there's a 1 hour supply zone right here. And I would look to short weak rallies into that supply. And that supply zone sits at 18,54125 through 18,564. And we can look to target this demand zone where we're trying to find buyers. I don't know where all the buyers went. NVIDIA started selling off and we just lost all the buyers. All right, so 18,497 through 18,438 is that demand level. It's currently being smoked. So at the time I was writing this, I was watching this market just plow through this demand zone, right? Like it was in the process of getting cooked. So the selling is slowed down a little bit, but it's still getting cooked. All right, so to the second bearish plan, if we continue down further, then I'm going to be looking for price to aggressively break through the daily fib structure. It's not really a structure, but it's a 50% level. And when I say daily fib, I'm discussing Wednesday's daily fib from FOMC, right? When we made that demand, I marked it FOMC and I left the daily fib on purpose because the market repeats itself, right? So 18,38475 is where I'll be looking for a bearish break and retest to look to short the market down into 8291. This will be the first sign of either buyers and or sellers coming into the market. So that being said, let's drop over to the bullish plan. Well, it starts right here, right? There's multiple places that you can look to be bullish. The first one is going to be in this 30-minute demand zone from 497 to 498 or 497 to 438. We can look for the market to catch a bid in this area. I don't expect, looking at the tape, that we're going to catch a bid. I'm looking at this market, and on the tape, it looks like we're about to get real busy to the downside. So bullish, another area that I could look to potentially get long would be a bullish break and retest above the daily fib, which is Wednesday's FOMC fib. And that sits at 18,38475. And then finally, for the bulls, again, I like to see buyers defend. This is where I think the market will definitely get aggressively bullish because it'll be everybody defending their position from the FOMC rocket candle, right? So 18,291 through 18,234, and we can look to long the market first, targeting the daily fib, and then targeting that previous demand zone at 18,438. So for me, I'm not really looking to be a bull until we get to this demand zone or the daily fib. I'm going to fade this 30-minute demand. If we come out of here bullish, I'm going to be looking to short it at that supply zone because I don't trust bulls after we just broke through this structure. I don't trust them down here. So those are my thoughts on the market. I hope that helps. And I'll pass it to my man, Jay, to break down ES.
All right. So on ES, we have instead of having like a 30-minute demand zone, we got like a buyer's area. If we go to like the 15-minute chart, no, 5-minute chart, we go to the 5-minute chart, you can see that we kind of had some consolidation here, and then the market rallied. We came back into it twice, and then we found buyers to end the day on FOMC day. So is anybody here music? Yeah, that's Valdez. You could just, if you right click on his name, and you should be able to mute him, or actually I can just server mute him. There you go. All right, now you can
is he still got his mic unmuted?
Yeah, I server muted it.
Yeah, he can just text us when he's ready to come back.
But so this area right here, there is some buying, and so therefore I'm watching this for buyers to defend, because if they don't, it could be a problem moving forward for the bulls. So we go back to the hour chart. Right now, we're actually bouncing at that area. We're kind of consolidating. Hopefully, we're building some value, building some demand to potentially take the market long down here. If that doesn't happen and we start to get aggressively selly right here, then my plan is to short the market. But I do know that 50% of the FOMC move is at 52.6150. So I am aware of that level, and I'd be watching this level for a bounce. But if we can get below that as well, then I think we'll have a very easy time selling off into this 1 hour demand zone where I think we will end up finding buyers. I'm viewing this whole thing as more of a retracement than anything else. ES broke all-time highs, and now we're just coming back down. In a healthy market, we all know that we got to retrace to find more buyers to come back up higher. So that's what I'm looking this more as, is just a retracement to go higher at the moment. This is not, to me, a true sell-off just yet. So trying to find like the macro higher time frame areas to go long for the larger move is something I'm definitely looking for. But this could be a quick bounce move back up into this 1 hour supply zone. And then if we get that bounce and we miss the long, I'm definitely looking to long the market at this 1 hour supply to continue this downtrend moving forward until we end up finding buyers. So this 50% could be that area, because a lot of the times big institutions like to reload at 50% of their of where they got in. If we think about it, the move started here, right? So I expect if we get down here that those buyers will defend, but also they may look to reload their position at the 50% mark, because that's a good area to buy more and kind of also defend their lower position as well for the market to rally up higher. So that's pretty much what I got. I don't think we're coming up here, and I doubt. I mean, unless the market has some miraculous day where we break this hour, I mean, I doubt we're going to move 30 points to the downside today. It's rare. It could happen, but I doubt it. So that's what I got.
Nah, man, we going down 30 points at least.
I mean, if we do, it would definitely be crazy, especially for a Monday. I think Monday, I feel like the range is maybe 20 max on ES, but hey, it could happen. You never know.
Cocoa, like the cocoa bean. You know what? As crazy as that sound, I could definitely see that being a thing. Oh, Justin, I found it.
You found what?
The free reset. I can save myself $4.50 on one of these accounts.
I told you. Well, yeah.
What?
No. No. I was just gonna say, yeah. Just make sure you reset one that's not close to being reset itself. You know.
Gotcha.
But we got Bray in the building. Good morning. Twice in the building. Good morning. Twice. Cordy says hi. Hi, Cordy. How's it going?
Oh, you mean like the date?
Yeah. The
clever.
date.
Very
yeah.
clever.
Just make sure you don't reset one that's about to reset for $4.50.
I only got two, so it's one or the other. I just got to figure out which one is closer.
Gotcha. Oh, you know, on there it actually has the date, like the account name in there is the date that is going to reset. I just learned that.
Oh no, I didn't know that. You mean like the last 4 digits that the date is going to reset?
No. Like, so my account says S1 March 18 whatever, so it reset in March, but the other one says February 29th. So these reset. I bought these the 29th, and then the other ones I bought on the 15th. So it does tell you the day. The first 2 numbers next to the month is the day that you purchased the account.
Oh, dope. I'm reading it now. Dang, that's dope. I never realized that.
I didn't realize it either until I got the new accounts, and I was like, oh, interesting.
But the old ones didn't used to be like that.
The old ones didn't do that. No, it's just the Top Step X ones that do that.
Oh, that's super dope. That's actually really clever.
It's really helpful
tell people that. They should probably tell people that, though.
Yeah, well, you know.
Okay, then I'm good. The rest of these don't reset till like April. Okay, I'm good.
Let me talk about GC real fast. GC's in an interesting position. GC was in this like falling wedge pattern, and it broke out in this 3-hour demand zone. We hit supply, and now we've sold back off, and we're coming back into that 3-hour demand zone. That could potentially hold. So I may be looking to long GC today. Might be a really good opportunity. I know Black Beauty Machine, whenever she gets in here, she plays GC and she kills it. And then I know Hobbs killed GC like last week, I think it was.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, potential setup over here on GC. There is a 2-hour supply zone above. But yeah, we're coming down pretty aggressively back into this 3-hour supply that causes a really nice rally. So something to watch if you're trading GC, or if the price action is just super trash on ES and NQ today, might be something to pay attention to.
Let's go. All right. Yeah, and then as far as the overall stock market goes, I mean, gosh, what can I say? What more can I say? Am I sharing my screen?
Or now.
Okay, yeah. So it started with Apple this morning, right? Because I was up late trading London, so I was watching these stocks. Apple came in with this rocket ship candle at like, oh no, this is okay. It came in with this, it ended the day in a rocket ship candle in the post market, and then it consolidated up here and then just tanked. Nvidia started rallying at the open and then just straight up dumped at this 2 hour, right? And then Google was the one that was always selling, right? It was just continuously selling off. And then of course, there's always one outlier, but the one that I think you should worry the most about is Microsoft. Microsoft continues to sell aggressively, and this is now the largest stock in the Mag 7, right? Which means it's the largest stock in the stock market, right? So if Microsoft starts to sell, it's a good indication of the rest of the market doing just that as well. And then the volatility index actually caught a bid this morning as well. Let's see. Sorry, I had to reset my computer earlier, so all of my charts are all jacked up. All right, so then we'll go to this tab here. And we'll take a look at the volatility index. And you can see, again, this has an inverse correlation to the stocks, right? So you can see that it was moving sideways, and then it put in what we like to call a sweep of the high, a sweep of the low, and now it's trading higher, right? That's an indication that we could potentially start to see lower prices, right? Now that it's gotten high, it might come back down to retest the low that brought it here, right? Which is also a sign that we're going to continue to push out of this, right? That's why I'm a little bit more bearish today than I usually am, right? I'm always very, very bullish because the market is usually very, very bullish. But understanding where we are in price, right, today, and like understanding that this week is a shortened week. It's a shortened week, but it also ends with very important news. So there's no way I'm fading Friday, right? Like there's a reason to trade on Friday, even though this is a shortened week. So just little things that I'm keeping on my radar. And yeah, man. So let's get to it.
Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that it's a shortened week this week? Because
Good Friday on Friday.
But it like our banks are still open though.
Stock market's closed.
Is it? Oh, I didn't know that. I just look for our bank closure, and I was like, oh, our bank is still open. And they have BCE,
our banks are closed, but it's going to be a shortened day in futures market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to delete Friday's stream, or you still want to go?
No, we can just make it Discord only. We can delete it. So we can just hang out. You ain't got to turn your camera on, and nobody got to see your ugly.
They love seeing my face. Okay, they love it. Or
okay, Lionel. All right, Lionel.
Oh,
just got my eval using your code yesterday. Hopefully, I do good today. Hey, man, congratulations, man. Hey, Justin.
Sorry. Sorry.
You did it again.
It's the yin and yang of the show. Okay.
What's up, yin and yang, man? Hey, man, I hope it works out for you, man. I hope just be careful on today's price action, man. Hopefully, you have a trading plan and you have you don't do like I did last night and hit max loss.
Yin Yang, I feel like you should add twins to your name so you can be the Yin Yang twins.
Yeah, you might as well add twins to the end of that, bro. Yin Yang twins. And for people in the Discord, make sure you guys tell Valdez, text him and tell him he's muted temporarily. Nope, still keep him muted. He is jamming. He don't even know. He's unmuted.
It sounded like he's playing like Destiny's Child.
Yeah, it sounded like he's jamming heavy. We got a Discord member that's got his mic on Rogue and he's bumping hella music in the Discord right now. So we had the server muted. We unmuted him to see if he was still playing music. It was just like Destiny's Child. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
Why you calling this man out?
When he come back in here, we're gonna be like,
I don't know why. I know Valdez isn't from Texas, but I feel like he should be from Texas, and he should definitely be listening to the Beyonce song. He said, "Unmute me."
Nah, you ain't getting muted. You ain't getting unmuted. You got put on timeout.
When you listen to Destiny's Child, what are you listening to?
Some Beyonce. Yo, we was like, yo, is he listening to Beyonce?
Oh my god, that was funny.
Well, I could just imagine Valdez bouncing around his house and shit, shaking his hips while he's feeding his dogs, thinking nobody can hear him. Yo, I said he forgot to hit the mute button on the mic. We hear everything.
Go ahead and play that blackjack. This ain't Texas.
Bro, I ain't tell you I was in I'm not gonna say whose Discord I was in, but if they in here, they gonna know what I'm talking about. I was in somebody's Discord. We was listening to we was just all talking about the market or whatever, right? And like the dude was talking about the market, and then he got pulled over while he was on the phone with us in the Discord. And it was like, yeah, what's up with that busted light, man? He was like, yeah, so I just ran. I'm gonna actually get it fixed. Bro, it was scary because black folks, and he was in Virginia at the time. You know what I mean? Like,
Virginia cops are the worst.
Virginia, but it was funny once we realized he was all good. You know what I mean? But it was so funny. He was like, when he came back, I was like, yeah. He's like, I think you got me muted. I was like, oh, my bad, man. And he was like, oh, thanks for, respecting my privacy. I said, no. I absolutely wanted to hear what was going on. I was just listening. I was listening to what somebody else said, so I muted you. I forgot to unmute. But if it was Justin, he would 100% not unmuted.
Yeah. I've definitely dealt with Virginia cops a few times.
Me too. Every time I ride through, I get pulled over, bro. Every time.
You go 5 miles over the speed limit and they on that ass. It's like, bro, are you serious?
DWBs all day out there, bro.
Yeah, they're trash. They're trash for cops.
Straight up DWB, baby. Every time.
My God. All right, let's start a poll. Let's get active. Y'all. What do y'all want the poll to be today?
Let's get it. Will the Chicago Bears win the Super Bowl in 2025? Yes or no? If you vote no, I'm kicking you out of the shop.
That's not the poll.
My
poll was actually going to be, will Jay Seals blow his account today? Yes or no? No.
God.
Will I blow an account today?
I hope that's not a thing.
I'm not. I can't blow it. I already have my daily limit set.
That man Nutty got a $30,000 payout.
Oh, good.
And I think immediately blew 4 accounts the next day.
He was high on life.
Well, well, the problem is he waited. Well, it took him 3 to 6 months to get to pay out, which is fine. I mean, 3 to 6 months, however long it took him to get to his payout, he got a $30,000 payout. Like, that's more than what most people make all year. Right?
Wasn't he doing? Does he do the monthly thing still, or?
Yeah, but he pays the monthly, I think, but I don't think he paid the monthly for the 20 accounts that he had. I think he stopped doing it after he got those. But the thing is like, because he didn't get the accounts over that past that threshold, once he took the payout, all of his accounts were in $500 left in drawdown.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, now he's probably going to lose all of the accounts. And that's the only payout he's going to get for the year. That's the only problem with doing it that way, where you're only focused on the payout. If you build the account, then you can get multiple payouts, right? Or at least learn how to trade, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Michelle. Shout out, boy. He says one more sub.
Well, we're never gonna get it, boy. People look. This happened to me when we were on the crypto shop. Listen, let me tell you how this works. People be low key hating when they see you at 999, right? They start hating on you. So we were at 999 this morning. I went back and looked at the thing. It went to 998. I said, "This is the same thing happened in the crypto shop." Hang on a second.
Oh, I didn't even know. When I woke up, it was at 998. I was like, whatever.
Much cuter, baby.
Look.
Text me
all
when
right.
You get the scoop. All right.
Here, look. Everybody on X, right?
Yeah.
That's watching. We got like 30 people watching on X right now.
Yeah.
Right. One of y'all just come over and just hit the subscribe button.
Don't say nothing because they go come over here and unsubscribe.
I know. They're gonna hit it and be like, yeah, made it. Unsubscribe.
Look, as far as I'm concerned, we at 1,000. Y'all can play around and act like we not gonna get one more sub. As far as I'm concerned, we already hit it.
Twice that 1K is the resistance. Facts. Twice.
Yeah, 1K is resistance. 100%. We gonna hit it and come right back down to like 970. It happened to me on the crypto shop. Every time you get to that next whole number,
Jesus.
Bro, I'm telling you, Justin, mark my words, bro. It happens every time you get to a whole number. It's like natural hate comes out of people. They be like, "Oh, you at 1,000? I'm gonna unsub just because I'm a hater."
Shut up, Valdez. That's why you was that's why you was playing that. This ain't Texas. Woo!
Hey, hold up, babe. Hold up, babe. I'm gonna need you to chill. I'm gonna need
the Bears
you to
win
chill,
the Super Bowl is like saying the Cowboys will win the Super Bowl. Let's be real, babe. No,
your place.
Yeah, I mean, I can't disagree with you on that.
Hold on.
Truly
that's my
facts.
wife, bro. The biggest hater of all haters. Listen, it be the one that's closest to you, bro. Like
truly facts. I agree. Miss Cheyenne.
Listen, wifey. Let me tell you something. You don't know what the Bears got brewing this year. We got Mike Evans. We got DJ Moore. We got a new. Mike Evans. Probably about to draft a new edge rusher from Alabama. We about to get Caleb Williams.
Y'all ain't got Mike Evans.
Mike Evans. Keenan Allen.
Keenan Allen. Yeah.
Keenan Allen.
Do all light skins look the same now, Hobbs? Is that what you try and say? Do all light skinned receivers look the same? I mean, he is tall.
Yeah. As a matter of fact,
he is like
kind of look like Keenan Allen too.
I hate you so much.
Now that I think about it, I'm looking at you again. I'm like, dang, you do kind of look like Keenan.
Who do I not look like?
Oh no, Marcus is volatile as hell. Down, bro. Move out the way, Bulls. Move out the way.
Time highs, even with subs. Facts. That's why it's with the. Be careful with all-time highs, even with the subs.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, I'm mad y'all using trading as a
even at all-time high, you might get dumped on up here, bro. Like,
oh my god,
the subs come all the way back down. They got to retest the lows, bro. We got
to retest the lows of this
970. We got to do that retest. That break and retest.
We don't want that.
We don't want it, but it's gonna happen, bro. It's human nature. Humans are haters, bro. Like legit haters.
I do kind of like this though.
Right now.
I like the 999 though. It looks kind of fire. I ain't gonna lie though. Like,
what? All right, market's coming down, guys. Who's getting long? Who's getting long with me, baby? Who's ready to go long?
You're not getting long. Looks like we're about to fill some liquidity at 50 though, 450.
Yeah, there's a ton of liquidity sitting at 455. Just to know when I do stuff like that, I actually be low key serious. I just want to see what's gonna happen down here. There's 131 orders at 450. I want to see. Look at all of this buying coming in.
There's a lot of buying coming in.
There's a lot of buying coming in down there. Let's see what they want to do with it.
Not a hater, just realistic.
No, it's not realistic. You let me dream. You can say that it's not realistic for the Cowboys to win because that's your opinion on your team. This is my opinion on my team. Let me live, babe. I've been watching these mother lovers lose all for a very long time, okay? Since I was in high school. Right?
You know, Shay, it's really nice to see your husband not use logic for a change and just use hope, because that's all he's doing right now. There's no logic to how he feels about this. It's just strictly hope. So I don't never want to hear him give me nothing when I talk about the Bills, because at least the Bills have produced in the past 5 years. The Bears ain't done nothing. So, oh my God, this market.
Good morning, Bulls. What's up?
Oh my God. Okay. All right.
This is what the market was doing to me all last night, Justin. Except I was longer this shit every time.
Oh,
I was like, ain't no way you gonna keep falling. Market was like, hold my beer, bro. Hold my beer. The only way I'm taking longs is if we come out of here aggressively, we find some very, very bullish buyers, and we get a break and retest, and I'll look to long this market into the previous supply. Other than that, hands off the wheel while the Bears start driving. Nice little liquidity sweep of that 450 liquidity. Let's see if they add more, which doesn't look like they are.
Well, they added that.
They're a little bit under 435 though. Okay, now they're coming in.
Yeah, they got 440, 435.
There you go.
That was a nice little trap all day set. We'll see if it holds,
bro. Trust me.
It is a mean wick.
Listen, no.
He said no. When you put it on, when you close your Bookmap for the day.
Shut up, Justin. You know I always forget, bro.
You hit save and exit.
No, Justin knows that I always forget. I just freaking hit. I'm out of here. By the time I close this thing, I'll be out of here.
If you hit save and exit,
Justin, I know.
It'll save it, and then you never have to put it on the time and sales again. Then Valdez won't have to ask you every day to put the time and sales on.
I actually enjoy having Valdez ask me every time, so I can tell his ass, hell no.
Well,
get your own.
Valdez, just hot mic, whatever.
This is what I know. Look, listen, this is what I know. Whenever Valdez is asking me for time and sales and he says nice wick, it means he's already long.
That could be true.
He said, nice wick. No, I learned my lesson last night, bro. There will be no early entries. No early entries even on the paper trade.
Even on the paper trade. Early entry? No.
I am being emotional. I mean, I'm allowed to be emotional. It's my team. And we finally got a chance this year. Look, we may not make the Super Bowl, but if we can just go to the conference championship, that's a win for us, right? That's a win for us. We'll take that. We're looking like we filled that liquidity at 50 and we're finding buyers up here. I just need to see us break through a high. There's no way I'm touching this until we get above a high. No way in hockey sticks. HE double hockey sticks. No.
The big buyer came into the market at 460 and we came back and retested it.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to practice shorting and longing today. What? No longs.
The long is actually looking really good.
You speak of. So now you want me to get good at shorting and bad at longing the market? He said yes. All right, bet. I'm only taking shorts in my paper trade account today, guys. I've got my instructions from the Discord. Only shorts. All right, waiting for pullbacks to take this market long. All right, we got the previous high right here, previous low right here inside this yellow box. We gotta change that color. This thing's way too bright. Let's go with pink today. Pink. Yeah, that looks good. There we go. All right. We got the high right here and then the low candle right here. We're just waiting to see if we can break above this high. This is what the market was. I'm having flashbacks, y'all. The market was doing the same shit to me last night. Oh, you think we going? Nah. Liquidity. He said I would get short right now. Yeah,
that sounds like a bad idea.
It failed to break above that high. Yeah, it hit that 80. It was like, thank you for all the liquidity. We appreciate your business. For me, it's just we're just so far extended. This is where I was getting hurt last night. Like as far as like my bias, right? Like I wanted to get short, but I kept telling myself we're just too low. No way I'm getting short this low. And I feel like the same way now. I feel like we're down too low. We need to come back up and retest 541. But I don't think the market wants to do that. Yeah, because we consolidated up there for a very long time, and it. Yep. Yeah. Yep. More buying coming in this time. We're building support at the lows. Kind of what I was seeing last night as well, but until that high is broken, I'm not interested. Again, I'm paper trading today. I'll do it live on the stream, but follow the trades at your own risk. That's all I'll say. But these will be paper trades today. I'm gonna put a reasonable size up here too. I'm not gonna go crazy.
30 minis.
Right. Moon Blast.
Yeah, this is not looking great for these.
It does not look good for freaking Bears. For Bulls
right now.
Bulls are struggling. It's not like they're not buying. It's just I feel like they're selling a lot more. 70 lots, 81 lots. Whew.
Well, they keep defending this level right here.
Right there. Right there. What's that?
The 1348. Oh.
I was about to say that was never my thing. That was y'all thing. That was you and Justin's thing, that H pattern.
Yeah, the H pattern was nice though. When we're selling off aggressively, and then we get that bounce, that round, yeah. That round is nice. Gives you a nice little bottom, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Here we go.
Little humpy hump.
Here we go. Here we go. There he goes. There it is. Wouldn't be a show without a pause moment for Justin. You want his early morning.
You gotta start the week out
early
right.
morning rump roast.
See, I knew I wasn't the only one. I had to see start rubbing off on people. You know what I'm saying?
Rub it off. Pause, bro. Pause.
No pausing. I said what I said, and I meant what I meant.
What? Bro, you sound like Hobbs. You sound like Hobbs last night, bro. You better chill out. You giving me nightmares. Yeah, let me go ahead and long that right there. I ain't getting long into that high is broken. I'm not touching.
But I say it might, but yeah, I'd rather get long into high. Dude, I think don't we have like new home sales today?
Yeah,
we got new home sales today at 10. Yeah.
Boca G responded to. Did you see my post about inflation and my kids? So I wrote on my Twitter page. I said inflation is everywhere. When I was growing up, I was lucky to get $5 for two. I said now my daughter expects $70 from the freaking tooth fairy. I said make it make sense, man. So Boca G responded. He was like, "Man, my son said he wanted no, it wasn't. That was Pippi. Pippi said his son wanted $200." Boca G says, "Wait, what? I received a quarter from the tooth fairy." I said, Boca, you was either poor. I said you was either poor as hell or you old as hell. One of the two. Oh my goodness.
That's like the you remember when the dollar menu used to be the dollar menu at McDonald's? Oh, here comes the seller.
What?
Now it's the $1, $2, $3 menu. It's not even. It's like,
you talking about the dollar menu at McDonald's, bro? You don't remember when they had the what was it 50-cent menu or quarter menu? I think it was like 50 cent at Taco Bell, bro.
Yeah, I really didn't eat.
You
Taco
remember
Bell
that, Malik? When Taco Bell was like, no, it was like 79, 89, 99 cent. Y'all remember that? Or 59, 69, 79, something like that. Man, take your trade. You see your setup, take your trade. Like you definitely missed it. I'm just saying, like, either decide to trade or leave this shit alone.
Yep. Oh my goodness!
Damn, these sellers getting busy today, baby. They getting busy today. What up, Pippi?
Rihanna. Work. Doing that work.
All right, breaking through that 441, cutting through that structure right there.
Oh, that's gone.
Oh gosh.
Sheesh.
Hey Malik, you should have got short at 80, bro. he said if I was trading today, I'd be short right now. Right now. He said no. He said, no question. No question. You needed to see it, bro. You needed to see it. We finna slide now. We finna slide now,
Emmett.
baby.
Okay, Emmett. Go ahead, kill it.
I mean, he in at 73. Nice, Emmett. Nice.
Yeah, I look for a retracement. Now that we've broken that, I think that's the only thing I was waiting on.
Get up out of here. I needed to see us get out of this area, and then that's all I was kind of waiting on right there. Just get me out of here. Get me out of this area. Let me know you want to continue to fall. Because after we drop here, like 334, 334 is the next level, but.
Sounds like some Arabian music.
No, man, you can't. You just refuse to put on something.
I just clicked on something.
Thuggish detail to it. You always want to make us into some reggaetons or some Latinos. All right, let's see here.
There you go.
All right, so we can get pullbacks into what is this? 445. Damn, you in at 73? I'm kind of looking for 100 points at 673. Okay, yeah, I think that's
definitely get it.
What you mean at 670? 100 points.
He's looking for a 100-point move.
Yeah, he says 673 though. I think he means
373. Yeah, 373.
Yeah, I think that's probably the least of your worries. The question is, how deep do we go past 373? Pause. Yeah, 373. That's what I thought you meant.
Yeah, I'm looking for this thing to retrace back to 64, 61.50. I think that's where you're looking for too.
443.
Oh, 443.
Yeah, I'm using that structural high right there, not the ultimate high. Where that rally base drop came in, or drop base drop came in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see that. That's like right by where that line is.
Yeah, and we haven't put the low in yet. So whenever we put the low in, that'll be my idea. But we might just drop from here. I'm not seeing a lot of buying on this tape. Yeah, it doesn't look like a lot of buying's going on this tape right now. So, there's some buyers. Welcome home, buyers. Bro, that's the retracement candle. Retracement candle. Don't even use that word today. Don't even use that word today. It's cooking season today. Yeah.
So your entry is 41820.
You don't say.
Keeping it tight, huh?
Nothing wild, nothing crazy. Yeah, you can have that fight against this trend today. You ain't gonna make 5 points. The way this thing look at. All right, here we go. What's up? What news? Oh, when did you find that news out, Mr. Our resident news expert? Okay. That would have been nice. That would have been good. Look, that would have been good information for your boy while I was getting cooked in these longs last night. You came in here with inside information. Yeah, I'm looking to short right here, baby. I'm looking to get short. I'm shorting this. What y'all think it is, Hobbs? Yep, this is where you would go break even. Your target is what, 441? Or are you coming back up to, what's your target? Bro, that shit was hilarious. That was hilarious, bro. Hilarious. All right, let's see if bulls come in and cook everybody. Because they look aggressive on the tape. Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, 441 is where I would probably. Damn, okay, bulls. All right, the second test is 58. That's the next test. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, you told me not to long it. You like long? I'm like, see, right when I decide to get long, don't nobody want to get long. Okay. Okay. All right. I want to see what happens when we come back to the point of origin, or do we keep just looking at the tape? This does not look like something I want to short yet. It does not look like these bulls are about to stop right here. This feels like this doesn't feel like retracement. This doesn't feel like retracement. This feels like, looking at the tape, this feels like reversal. It's like we just swept the low. And let's see if we come back up and sweep that high. This does not look like short territory, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see what happens when it comes back up to the origin. None of them. And that's why I would much rather long the market, but you want me to short this market. I'm like, bro, like there's so much liquidity up above us, it's ridiculous. Yeah, see, we're coming up to go get that liquidity. We're coming up. Go ahead and put that high in. That's all I want to see. Everybody saw all of these shorts at open, and all I see is Tokyo and London. All I see is Tokyo and London is all the way up there at 600. That's what I see. Know what y'all looking at?
Tokyo.
Shit. You a lie. I was about to say, I'll wait for you to look at the chart. We was at 606 at 9 o'clock. We're damn near at 300. We're 200 points down from where we were. You crazy if you didn't think we could go nowhere. That's a lie. That's what I mean. Like I'm looking at the tape, and I'm like, there's no way this is. I don't think this. Yeah, I don't think that this is coming back down. Not the way that the candle looks and the bulls look on the tape. Yep. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we do with these highs, though. This is the level here. Yeah. Yeah, this is a whole body right here, bro. This different. Like the open candle was the one he wanted to long. Due to the fact that it was, you know what I mean? I'm saying that's the one you usually get long on, is something like the opening candle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Call the police. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I just want to see if we break above it, or do we freaking get rejected here? That candle structure on the 15-second usually means trouble, but the way that the tape looks, yeah, I don't think it matters. Oh my God, yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, it don't matter. All right, cool. Yeah, we looking dumb.
Created a really nice 5-minute demand zone at 448.25.
God, look at
if we pull back into that.
Oh my God!
You see the 5-minute demand we just created.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, I'll wait for us to pop back into there. Really nice trade though, Valdez.
Well, and the that 50% sits right there too, like the previous high, previous low. Body bag, Valdez. Body bag. Woo. This is what I was waiting on. This is the trade I was waiting on all night. Oh, you better believe it, sir. We close up here. You better believe it. We're coming to get Tokyo and London's liquidity. You best believe that. Give it 15 seconds. You about to find out what happens at 88. Get out of the way. Choo choo. He said, I don't know if I believe it. All right. Me neither. I think we're just rallying up to go to 541. But I mean, shit, that's a long trip to 541. Man, he said, "NQ, chill." You know what was kind of like a giveaway too is that the VIX wasn't pumping during that. That's why I switched my screen to the VIX, and I was like, "Yo, the VIX isn't moving on this sell-off at all. It's coming down." It's at 43 right now after being at 70 in the open. With the continued push, they continue to buy up here. Right,
oh my God.
Stock market?
No. Oil. Oil took off. Oh my God. It's always got to be oil. Jesus.
Yo, look at NVIDIA.
Yeah, NVIDIA pumping. Apple's dumping, but everything else.
No. Look at Amazon.
I know.
Yo, Amazon got a big middle finger, bro. Like, get out of my way. Oh my God. Amazon took the F off. Whew.
Yeah, Microsoft took off too, but now it's coming back down.
Yeah, I think we're coming for that Tokyo and London liquidity up there. I just want to see a pullback into this little box, or if this thing rocket ships straight up to Tokyo and London, I'm just going to look to get short. But if we can get a nice pullback.
I said the VIX is coming down.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking for us to basically go back up there and take that 600 level where Tokyo and London was at, because I think we got more downside yet to come. So I'll be looking to see what we do. If we don't pull back, then I'll look. If we pull back, I'll look to take the market long on a pullback into my box. But if we push up, just straight up, then I'll look to see what we do up at 541 to look to get short up there.
Is that that's a lot of eyes. Is that ILL? Is it Ileana? Says what about ES? I think that's, correct me if I'm wrong. ES is kind of ES is kind of just in a range right now. We bounced off my buyer's box. And now if I wasn't long, I'd be targeting this 1 hour supply zone up here at 52.85.75. But I don't know. Illest. Got you. The illest.
Boy.
Yeah,
like,
buddy.
I swear, this mofo, man. Somebody didn't take this man card, man.
What? It says Ileana, and this is okay. What? Anyway, or whatever. But yeah, I'd be looking to short up here though at this 1 hour supply zone if we can get up there. Unless we're gonna be extra bullish, because I think that kind of coincides with where you're looking to short. Yeah,
I mean, basically, what we're doing right now, right? If you look at it from a macro standpoint, where Asia and London sits at about think 585, right? 567. And then Asia sits at 606. So usually what happens is when we trade down this aggressively, before the market continues down further, we usually go back and steal liquidity from Asia and London. So the way that we're coming up is what I was looking for all freaking night last night, and we didn't get it, but whatever. So the way that, yes, we have news, right? So if we break the high, which is what we just did, I'm looking to see if when we retest 442, can we hold 442? And then I'll look to long the market because the VIX is still not strong. It's not supporting this move. The stocks aren't, the stocks are pretty strong, and ES is kind of at demand as well. So I'm looking to take the market long on a paper trade, but if I get everything I want, I'll take it. This looks like we're going to hold this area, like we're getting price acceptance here, right? So if we hold this area and we just rocket ship from here, then my next move is to either short at 541 or 577. And then ES should have somewhat of the same setup. It probably doesn't have as much supply, but it probably has a nice supply zone up above us.
Yeah, ES almost looks like this could be a double top, but we'll see. I think we still push through though. I think this is them. This is probably a bear trap. They're making it look like we want to go down, only for them to pick up the liquidity to go higher. Honestly, is what I'm looking at, because ES does look a little different than NQ. Like NQ broke above pretty strong.
I could see that. I could see on NQ. Remember I was saying on the top down analysis, we were in that consolidation phase after breaking the high, and then we swept the high on that candle at 2:00 on Friday, and then now we just swept the low on the candle today at 7 a.m. And then we could potentially be getting ready to rocket shit back up. I could see that, and then have a bunch of bears trying to get short at those 1 hour and 2 hour supply zones to fuel the rally even higher.
yeah,
I can see that.
I guess, but yeah, on ES, for me, I would want to see this dip back down into this area right here. Go back, retest the low, make it look really bearish, make it look like we're about to break down, and then come back up. It's kind of what we're looking for on NQ as well. Okay. You're welcome. I was thinking that too, but wasn't sure. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll let this news come out, see what they want to do here.
Facts. Oh, and to that person that unsubscribed that brought us that back down to 998, ruining the 999 number.
I told you.
Sir, or ma'am.
You, sir, are a terrorist.
Oh,
I told you. It's something about when you get to those whole numbers, people just be hating. They be like, oh, you think you about to get to 1,000 that easy? Resist.
Right. I will find you and I will take you out. Don't even worry about it. Okay,
cool. More selling, more bears coming through. Let's see if that was just a retest of the high to potentially take this market even lower right now, because the tape be flipping so quick. All right, we got news here in about 30 seconds or so. So tape is clearing right now.
Thanks, the illest. I brought it back to 999. LOL.
Appreciate you, Illis. Hey, switch to the bat phone and bring us up to 1,000.
Switch to the bat phone, you're an idiot.
Everybody got a bat phone, bro.
Boyd says just to pull back before running higher. Yeah, potentially. We'll see what this news does. This news might send it though. It's looking like
this news might rocket ship it up, and if that's the case, I'll miss that train. But I have two potential plans here. I'm looking to either short it at a key level, or if we can I just wanted to push up a little bit more, but it doesn't seem like it wants to push up higher. It seems like it wants to drop. Yeah, Yeah.
Well, 490?
Well, it was 500. Yeah, 500. Basically the previous day low area. So 90 through about 500. Yeah, and now it's becoming previous day low was 500. So support turn resistance. That makes sense. But if they blast through this thing's gonna cook.
Yeah, let's see what we do.
All right, 5 seconds to the news. Oh, the news over there. Never mind.
Yeah. The news isn't doing nothing.
Okay, very well.
It's like we might come down here. It's another test of the high that's failing.
VIX is still dropping.
I don't know. I'm not gonna look to short this though. I'm gonna look for this to come back down to that 50% / that demand zone. And I'm gonna look to long it there. Talking about subs, Jay, pull back to 9.8 before running to.
Oh, you talking about I get a pull back and run back.
Yeah. Y'all funny. Y'all funny.
A couple of ways I'm looking at this, Jay. You see that double top at 833? That high right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's the high of this consolidation.
Yeah.
Right. And it's the origin of this selling, right?
Mm-hmm.
That selling produced a break of structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this buying has not gotten above that high. Mm-hmm. So I'm actually watching this to potentially short it, right? Like you see that? Like I'm just watching this. All right, I'm gonna try a short here. I'm gonna try a short here because every time I don't short, I look back and be like, dang, I should have got short right there. So I'm gonna just try a short here on the paper trade. I'm gonna look to I'm put my stop above the highs up there. I just want to see what happens. This is usually what I see, and I'd be like, yeah, see, I wouldn't short this because of X, Y, and Z. But then I go back and look at the trade, and I'd be like, man, I probably could have got short right there. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, I like this short. I'm not gonna take it unless we come. I want to see a little bit more, but definitely buying, not working up here.
Yeah, we're just holding. I'm actually gonna put my stop behind the previous day low. Let's see what that does. Y'all about to find out why I suck at long and shorting the market here in a second. Shorts never work for me, bro. Like every time I try to take a short, they be like, "Yeah, Hobbs is in short. Time to run and stop. Come in."
Yeah. The only thing I'm looking at though is at the low, there's like a whole bunch of big bubbles, big red bubbles showing the absorption. And at the high, there's just like a lack of buying.
This is how the tape looked last night. It was just so much aggression from the sellers, right? And I just kept thinking that we were gonna push up just because I was bullheaded, so to speak, right? But reality wise, we just never got the push. It just kept looking bullish, right? It just kept looking super bullish.
Yeah, let's see if we.
And then all of a sudden, they would just rug pull the market. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that the VIX isn't participating in this particular trade idea.
Yeah, there's just so much selling down here at the lows. See if it just pops. There's just so much selling down here.
Ton of selling that's not really being rewarded whatsoever. But we're holding, baby. We're holding. Hold. Oh, he's talking about the subs. All right, I'm in a paper trade short at 69. Again, just paper trading today. Follow at your own risk. It feels like a drag down, like kind of a falling wedge down into 44. So at 44, I'll look to go to break even. And but if we just rocket ship from here, that's not going to be pretty for my trade.
Yeah, this was like last night. It looks like a falling wedge.
Yeah, it looked like a falling wedge until it didn't, until that wedge fell out.
No, that's
trust me, I know that's where my break even was. I was like, oh, it's just a falling wedge. It's gonna come back. Zoom. I was like, oh, that's
that falling wedge did work out. It just didn't work out as high as what you wanted it to.
Yeah. Dude, I got cooked. And it kind of just destroyed my mental. Like I was pissed more so than anything, right? I knew at that point, oh, this is about to be a very bad trade. I knew at that point, like it was time to not size up. I was like, well, glad I'm into micros. I'm into micros.
Look at Nvidia and Amazon right now.
Oh, are they pushing?
Yeah.
Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. How you're in a short right now? Oh my Jesus. But the big dogs, Microsoft and Apple, aren't participating in this.
No, that is true. I don't
think it's gonna matter, but it's very strange that they're so aggressive right now. Amazon and Nvidia are like sending right now. I don't think the market cares though. This was happening to me all last night, bro. We would look so foolish, and then like as soon as we get to the key level, drop like a rock. Drop. Look at how much selling is happening at that level.
I know. So I'm staying out of this.
I would too. I'm staying out of it too. I'm imagining myself in it through a paper trade, but I'm staying out of it. I don't want no part of this market right now.
The VIX is still trying to drop. You got Apple and Microsoft dropping.
I don't want no part of this shit.
But Nvidia and Microsoft are both trying to send right now. So yeah, for those reasons, I'll watch. I'll watch.
For those reasons, I'll pay for trade.
Yeah, it looks like
we're trying to get above that. Get above the VWAP right there.
Yeah, S&P 500 trying to go too.
Yeah, I'm reading your chart right now.
Yeah. Let's see. If I was gonna do anything here, I would probably be on the side of longs though. But I just don't want to. I don't want to put the risk on. I feel like it's not in my favor. We're literally just moving sideways right now, but maybe here comes the breakout.
Yeah, it looks like we're trying to get on the other side of VWAP. Well, that's just
233 buyers. Oh my god!
Come on, man, 233 buys, bro, for real. Come on, what are you doing? He's like Lambo.
Opened it up.
Yeah, Jesus. Stopped out immediately on my paper trade. He said, "And Lambo." Damn. And that's why I don't short the market right there about it. See, told you. Every time I go short, bro, the market be like, I told you, bro, this is why I can't short. I suck at shorting the market, man. I don't know what it is. Like if I'm in a long, I feel so much better. When I'm in a short, I be like, they about to run my stop. No, it's looking good. They about to run my stop, guaranteed. Zip! God dang. All right, now we're on the other side of that VWAP right there. Push it up. Nvidia. Nvidia getting busy, bro. Nvidia is getting busy. Oh my God. We're gonna see 1,000 before the end of the week, if not today.
Oh, nuts. Nvidia.
Nuts, bro. Nuts.
He doesn't care. It just doesn't care.
The word "no chill" comes to mind.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you where we're going, man. We're going up to that 600 level, bro. We're gonna go up there, take out freaking Tokyo, London, and then we'll come down. We're not gonna drop from here.
Yeah, I'll look for shorts once we get up to 541, but until that price, yeah, we're just going. We just broke VWAP.
This thing's going. Ain't no way it's coming back.
Continuing to make highs. We're pretty much eating up all this. Like the way we came down was not super aggressive, and then we just kind of like consolidated. And like I said, we broke that consolidation, reclaimed that consolidation, came back and retested that consolidation, and now we're out. So
yep, that consolidation was key for me. That's why I was like, I'll try this short, but I don't think it's gonna work out.
Yeah, I was hoping we were gonna get a little bit deeper of a pullback there. But basically, equally it was like a falling wedge, a flag, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it was very bullish.
It's bullish is what you can call it.
Bullish.
It was on its bullishness.
Capital B.
Yeah, It was on his bullish. All right, I'm about to go over here and check YouTube. If anybody hasn't subscribed or hit the like button, you might want to do it right now. About to go check YouTube right now, guys.
Or else.
Or else.
Oh wait,
curtains, Johnny. Curtains. 999. Really? We can't get one person to sub. Which one of y'all is unsubbing every time y'all see 1,000? Somebody is over here doing it.
We haven't even hit it. We haven't even hit 1,000 yet. We was at 999. Somebody unsubbed, and then the illest came through and helped us out with another 999. We just need one.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, it is Sunday. Valdez, you still in that long, or did you get out?
I think he walked away. Oh, you got out? Poor child.
That was your 100-point move right there.
Nah, I feel that.
It was rough. Roughums. Yeah, and now there's not much to do but watch this thing go.
About this said, if I was gonna do anything, I would be long right about here at 420. Nice little tight stop and go. And go. That was a good low, man. That shit was very, very well narrated. Yeah, man. It's that what candle print are you talking about? You talking about the second one at the second 1 minute at 9:44 or the first one?
That 9:43 candle.
Yeah, the 43 or the 44 candle. Okay, yeah. The Morning Star. Well, you don't know what it's called, but yeah, never mind. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, never mind. When I said it, I was like, you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Never mind.
Did you get in on the 940? You got in on the 944 candle, or did you get in on the 943 candle? Oh, okay, yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, we dipped down one more time. When I look back on the tape and I saw, I was like, oh, that was actually really, really nice. I'll break it down later though. But yeah, that was nice. Very, very nice.
Bro, ES is literally printing off your screen right now.
Yeah, ES is. Yeah. Oh no, that was NQ. That's NQ.
Oh, that's NQ. The thing is printed off your screen right now.
ES is in supply, but I don't think the supply zone is gonna matter right now.
No.
What a push! What a push! And the crazy thing about ES2 is ES came back and basically just retested this consolidation right here and then found buyers.
Man, we created another demand zone right there too.
Yeah,
off that falling wedge and push. Gone.
Yeah, very, very bullish. So it made so many people want to get short.
Me too.
We was about to get off that double top and swoop. Got him.
Look at these sellers.
Head fake.
Only thing is, are we going to break through some type of significant structure to the upside? We got one. That was the low that we consolidated from. The second one.
Break this hourly. That's going to be that's going to be the change. If we break through this hourly, or nah,
you're right. If we can get through, if we can get on the other side of 543, we'll push into the 600s.
Yeah, I mean, we had some consolidation here. I think for me to be like ultimately bullish, I would want to see us get above this high though. The high we put in on Friday.
These bulls ain't playing, bro. The way that they sucking people in, showing them that same look from last night, and then they like, nope, now we here though. Yeesh. It's kind of spooky.
Yeah, we almost hit the 50% of FOMC2. We're pretty close.
Yeah. Question is, did we get close enough where we're going to continue to send, or do they want to come all the way back down and retest it for sure? That's the question.
Look at VIX. VIX is starting to sell off even more.
Bro,
VIX is at the bottom.
30, it's literally at the absolute bottom. It's almost as if none of that selling happened.
Amazon is going wild right now. What's Amazon Amazon's all-time high. Is it the 181? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Oh my God. What is this?
What's wrong?
How do I fix this thing again? Things open up a line chart randomly. I don't even know.
Close up on the bottom right. Bottom right. There you go. Open it up and then close it. Does it not give you the option to close it?
I'm in a 4-way screen right now.
So get out of the 4-way screen and then.
Oh, okay. There we go.
You probably can't close it inside of the 4-way.
Whoa, this is weird.
What are you looking at?
Okay. All right, here we go. Fixed, I think. But the price is now on the opposite side. What is going on? What is this? What is this?
All right, but Justin's doing whatever. I'll narrate prices. I have no idea what he's talking about. 54125 is going to be the next supply zone on the 1 hour that we're looking to potentially get a nice healthy pullback at. And then 57750 on the 1 hour is where all of this selling began in the London section. So that should be the first target for price. But again, bears are stepping in, but the VIX doesn't really care. Like it's just more buying coming in right now. Oh, because I sat down. Sorry. All right, is that better?
I'm standing. I'm gonna.
The 200-day moving average on the 5 and 15 is at 522. Okay. Yeah, I want to see what we do when we get into that 31 through 41 area. I think it would be a goal of price to take out the London liquidity and sweep Tokyo before either we go back down or we find enough buyers to continue higher. For me to get long now, we'd have to pull all the way back. So I'll just wait to see if this thing breaks any significant structure, or I'll look to short it on the way back up, or once we get up to the destination.
Yeah.
Holy snap. Hold up. Stop the music. Everybody pause. Wait a second. Let me welcome to the mother's freaking shop, the OG, the number one, the long-standing Discord member of all time. What is up, my man, Papa Giorgio? What's up, bro? Welcome back to the land of the living, baby. The OG of the shop right here. What's good, bro?
Man, he said long lasting. Pause.
Bro, he the longest tenured member in the Discord. Him and Malik.
I'm still pausing your ass. Long lasting. Where? Hey, Valdez, where you at, Valdez? Where? I can't get no backup on this. None.
Yeah, shut up, Justin.
Oh my God.
Shut up, Justin. Hey, welcome back, man. I'm glad. I don't know if you're back, but I'm glad you decided to grace us with your presence. We appreciate you, man. I hope. Okay. Okay.
Oh, you putting us on a schedule now? Okay.
Hey, sounds like you did some thinking. It sounds like you. I hear you. Hey, man. Well, hey, look, man. We glad to have you back, and like I said, if you got more time, we'd love to see you in some of these market reviews and some of these classes that we've been having. To kind of get you up to speed with kind of how we're seeing things now.
Let him know, Shay. He's as bad as your 13-year-old with the pause. Mm-hmm.
Wait, what happened? Oh,
you're about as bad as our 13-year-old with the pause.
She talking about you, clown.
Nah, she talking about you.
No, she not. She talking about you. She said, as much as you say it, you sound like our 13-year-old. She's definitely talking about you.
Nope.
Because my 13-year-old says pause about. Yeah, there you go. I'm talking about you. Yeah, you.
Who is you? You doesn't have a name. I don't know who you is. It could be you.
And now you're acting more like our 13-year-old, because this is the same thing our 13-year-old do Yeah, he's the same. He's acting just like my 13-year-old. My 13-year-old be like, I don't know what you're talking about. You just say exactly my name. I don't know what you meant. I don't know. You could be talking to anybody. Like, all right.
You could be. You could be. It's true.
Justin Seals, she's talking to you. No, not at all. Not at all.
Nothing will ever change around here. What up, Yvonne? Okay,
you
thank
is
you.
Justin.
Thank you. There you go. That's what I was waiting on. That's what I was waiting on, Cheyenne. Yes.
What's going on,
Look,
Yvonne?
Yvonne been trying to short this market since last Sunday. Like,
oh, Yvonne, yeah. Yo, Yvonne, I tried to long this market all night, man. I put myself on timeout. And then, of course, the first thing we do bright and early in the morning, long. I was like, I mean, it makes sense. But by the time it made sense, I was already done trading. Oh, my God. The amount of selling that just took place inside of that sweep is absolutely insane. That dude is in trouble. Did you see that, Justin?
Yeah, I see it.
Did you see that dude on the tape?
Yeah.
He is in trouble. If we leave this area, he is in trouble.
Yeah, that might be an indication we might be coming down, though.
That was a huge seller right there. A huge seller just came into the market and got filled for 571 orders in the middle of that huge sweep. That was a lot of liquidity that just got filled right there.
Yeah, that was weird. And on top of that, if you look at the time in sales, it wasn't like it was like a big order. You see that? Like, there's no big order sitting there.
There was a ton of selling that went on right there.
That? 21? Yeah. 21, 35, 30, 47. But those were all at different prices. Huh. That's weird. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that guy.
That was interesting, to say the least.
Oh, that was right at the that 1 hour supply too. That happened right at let's see what price it was. 34. Let's watch this guy. See what happens. That was really, really weird.
Oh, it tapped that 1 hour supply zone to the tick.
Yeah. But this is interesting. Let's see what happens. Because I wonder if that was maybe somebody buying from a seller and it came out as selling, or if that's a true seller.
Result would have been the delta result would have been negative. I mean, would have been positive.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess now what I want to see as we
I would just say, if you're long,
I want to see that guy retested.
That's all I would say is, if you're long, be very, very careful up here, because that was a lot of selling that took place at 541. A ton. On ES. All right, let me see.
Oh yeah, at 87, that area we have a 1 hour supply.
This looks exactly like when we tapped 600 last night, Justin. Remember I told you was like, yeah, kill him. I was like, yeah, we about to eat. I went to go to the bathroom, came back. I said, what happened? What happened?
Yvonne said, could Pippi be taking profits? Yeah, that was probably Pip. That was definitely Pip. He had all 520 of those lots. He's like, sell.
Pippi out here taking profits. Pippi, I'm gonna need you to chill, bro. You can't be out here taking profits at the top, bro. We need you to stay in so we can continue to ride.
He out here changing tires while taking profits at the same time. He's like, change tire, take profit. Change tire, take profit.
Dump the market. Let's go. Hey, careful at these highs, guys. Careful at these highs. This market is they just did some real slick shit that if you couldn't see it on the tape, and you didn't have a supply zone marked up there, you wouldn't really know. But I took the paper trade short. I'm gonna see what happens. Could be Pippi taking profits. Crazy.
I just want to see this guy get retested. I want to see if he defends his position, if it's truly a seller or not.
My Discord members told me to practice only taking shorts today. So every time the market gets bearish or at a key area, I'm not even thinking. I'm just putting the trade on short. So if you're following the trades that are on the screen, good luck. Good luck. So far, we're 0 for 1. We got smoked by the last trade. Smoked. This one, we got a nice healthy stop, though. We got a 40-point stop. Is that 40 points? 36, 46, 56.
Pretty healthy.
Yeah, no way we're getting stopped out here. No way. Market's going bearish. No way.
All right.
Come on, market. Susie from sales, do your worst.
Oh, what was the other guy's name?
Jimmy. Come on, man. How could you forget about Jimmy?
Why didn't you make him like Billy, like from the buyers, or Billy from the bids or something instead of Jimmy? What spurred the Jimmy?
You want me to call Susie Jenny from the block? Wait, you want me to call Susie Jenny from the block?
Well, because Susie in sales, right? Like it makes sense because of the S, like I don't know
so
what they
saying
call
I
that.
Should make some type of some type of lame nursery rhyme is what you're saying.
No.
That's what he's saying, right?
No.
He wants me to be some dork over here. Is that what you want?
No, that's not. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying Susie from sales makes sense.
Jimmy, some freaking dork over here. Like,
Jimmy from the buyers doesn't make sense. I forgot what they call that.
I'm talking about imaginary characters over here. What do you want me to do?
Hey,
now they got a rhyme too.
You called Jimmy baby the last time.
I did call him baby. That was an accident. We're gonna forget about that. What's going on, K-Ray?
We're not gonna forget about that. We're not gonna forget. No, sir.
Yo, I'm gonna show y'all the tape, man. I want y'all to see like what we saw when this happened. Like when we review the tape today, it's gonna be quite interesting because that was impressive. What I saw the tape, I said, well, I'm shorting this.
Retest this guy, huh?
I'm shorting this right now. Let me see. All right, look. So check this out. Over here to the right is the delta. That means the amount of buying and selling that happened at this level. This is what's left over, meaning the sellers outweighed the buyers by 566, specifically at this level back here, right? And we came up here super bullish, like super bullish. Look at all this bullish activity that came up here. But this one seller got filled for 413 lots, right? 413 lots is a lot of freaking money, right? So either he's just like casually up here selling the market, just randomly selling 413 lots, or he's going to try to defend his position and be in profit. So this is the only thought process I had, other than this was a key level for me as well. So I'm just trying to like get used to shorting the market again. So this is what I'm adding, not adding to my repertoire. Pretty sure I know how to short the market, right? But this is the one thing that I'm like, I've been so conditioned to long the market because the market has just been super bullish to the point where like sometimes I get a little too overconfident, right? In shorting the market. I mean, in longing the market, I'm gonna, take some time off from the charts a little bit, not put any pressure on. And the Discord suggested that I just take shorts today. So I'm just gonna take shorts. Yeah, I seen oil breaking out too.
Breaking out all day though.
Yeah, it's probably because the market is getting ready to sell off. We just need the VIX to do its thing.
Gold is not moving. Boo. Gold,
he said boo. Well, it's already made its move, but it was breaking out. What's up, J-Hog? What up, Bud? Michelle. What up, Bud? You never heard that? There's two. What's up? What's going on, bro? Yeah, Bud. It was on that. What was the name of that show they used to call? What was the name? Bud. What's up, Bud? Was that the Cosby Show? Yeah, the Cosby Show, right?
Cosby Show.
Yeah, Bud. What's up, Bud? Cosby Show, and then
that was the little boy, right? Wasn't that the little boy?
Yeah, that was the little boy. Don't be commending me on this short, Malik. Do not do it. I'm not your friend. Okay, we are not freaking friends. Okay, like just shut up. We're not friends. Not after you let me long this market all night, and then you wake up this morning and tell me, oh, by the way, the dollar's skyrocketing, so expect the market to go short. We're not friends. We're not friends.
He said, I told you that I went short. You didn't listen.
You did. I got long when you went short. I just lost. Well, I got long at the pullback of your short. So I had a good trade. I didn't take profits. I walked away, and yeah. In lies the tilt, baby. Yeah, let's check on the stocks. The VIX is still not participating in his move. God damn. Nvidia. Yo, what are you doing?
Yeah, and Nvidia's in supply too, but it does not care.
It does not care about supply zone right now. Nvidia's like, bro, we out of here.
Amazon just pulled back only to come back up. But like I said, if we're gonna see an extended sell-off, I need to see this guy come back up and protect his whatever order he just put on his book.
Yeah. I'll add if he comes. If we come back up here, I only got one mini, so if we come back up here, I'm gonna put my stop behind that ultimate high back there because why not? It's a paper trade. I'm a matter of fact, I'm gonna risk 800, just like my man Malik. You know what I'm saying? So
because if we get above that guy,
if we come back,
oh my god, it's gonna be a wrap. This market's gonna send.
It's just strange that everything's selling off while the stocks are going crazy. So you can't even really like rely on the stocks right now. I shouldn't say selling off. I just say we're pulling back.
Well, so you see, like Nvidia and Amazon are both coming down, but then you got Apple and Microsoft both coming up now. It's like, why do they do the opposite? Like, y'all can just all do the same thing.
Because they know people like us watch them. They be trying to F with your head, like which one you gonna watch, which one you gonna check, which one you gonna do, what you gonna do.
I don't know.
I haven't watched the dollar in a while. And then that 5-minute demand zone really didn't establish anything. Like it had an aggressive candle. I guess it broke above the previous strike. Oh shit! Whoa. Hey, Susie. Hey, I got the resident short expert over here telling me that I cooked this market. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Short king. I told you I'm gonna try to be the oil king. Malik is the short king, man. He the short king. Malik say you good? You Gucci. This is it right here. You're good. Yeah, it's a lot of selling going. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's a lot of selling going on at these lows. If I can stomach it, I'm in a paper trade. Of course I can stomach it. I'm going to add. What do you mean if I can stomach it? My stop loss is 50 points. This thing keep going up. I'm going to just keep adding. That's why I said follow my trades at your own risk today because I'm paper trading. My entries might be legit, but the way I'm going to manage these trades, you might not like it. You might not agree with it. It might not be good for you. I'm going to win, put it that way. There's no way I'm losing.
Lord have mercy.
Even when I lose, I'm winning, baby. Even when I'm winning, I'm losing. I'm not focused on winning and losing and hitting targets. I'm focused on entries. And that was a nice entry right there, based off what I was seeing. No, I got it in at 2.6. I got it in on the retest.
We're coming back up aggressive.
He's like, in that case, it wasn't as good a short as I thought it was.
He said you got in late.
He said, yeah, well, I don't like your short anymore, so you're screwed. Thanks, Malik. Thanks, Malik. Market is revving up to cook my black ASS. Wait. Say it again. This one? Wait, 10:05. Oh, you want me to go this way? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah. We tapped into 50%. Yeah, I see it. But the trade is being taken off of the higher time frame. So I'm taking the trade off the 1 hour. So I'm kind of disregarding the 50% retracement here. Instead, I'm focusing on the 1 hour supply zone at 4 a.m. on London. Will we move to take London and Tokyo? Maybe, right? If we take London and Tokyo, then Yeah, that's what the market is saying too. Market's like, yeah, well, you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Shut up, Malik. Don't you turn on me now. Don't you turn on me now, Malik. Don't you turn on me now.
You thought he got the absolute top? Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, when it happened, I was watching the tape. I wasn't even on my paper trade screen. So when it happened, I was watching the tape and I said, oh my goodness. So when we came back up, I said, I'm taking a short here. And then it dropped. And now I'm banking on this area to hold. If this area doesn't hold, then I should be out of the trade. So I'll lower my risk down to about 46. So if this area doesn't hold and it stops me out at 46, then I'll look to re-enter on a potential sweep if we can get a break of structure here. But if we can't break the lows, then there's no reason to re-enter. We're just going to continue to be bullish. But if we can break the lows, then this can potentially become a good trade. Right now, it's suspect at best, especially because the VIX is still at 33. I feel like I'm a sitting duck. My liquidity is like, my paper trade liquidity is in jeopardy.
Well, right now we're retesting the 50%. So, like, I think Valdez was saying.
Yeah, that's exactly what he said. That's what I drew out. Yeah, that means Justin's long, guys.
No. I'm talking about the 50% of the short.
Oh, yeah, but the short hasn't broke below the structure yet, though.
Yeah, that's true. But we broke below the previous swing.
We broke below the previous low. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of that's why I said to me. Yeah, but that's why I said to me that the trade isn't based off what's right here. The trade is based off the higher time frame tap. That's what the trade's based off. It's not based off. Basically, the way I'm looking at the 1 minute right now is the 1 minute's done its job, right? It delivered price to the higher time frame. So I'm taking the trade off the doorstep, so to speak. I'm not taking the trade based off the delivery anymore. The delivery has been delivered, right? At this point, I'm expecting the delivery to break. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. I know we got to get through the low for it to make sense. For it to make sense and like me to actually be feeling like I might win this trade, it needs to get through the low. Excuse me. Because I mean, basically we broke above the high and now we're just consolidating. But I'm looking at this as the potential head. I mean, the potential shoulder, and that tap of the supply zone being the head, and then that candle on the left side. Let me see what time frame is it. The candle at 10:13 being the other shoulder. That's how I'm looking at this right now. I mean, my stop's at 46. I'm risking 20 points. Well, yeah, I had it at I had it at 65, like 70. But I was like, okay, let me not be egregious. Somebody stopped by the shop and be like, man, what the fuck are you on? You got a 60-point stop? Like, bro, I'm paper trading, man. Chill. I'm just trying to win. Yeah, but the entry is more so what I'm concerned with. But right now, this, just to clarify, right now we're in consolidation after breaking the high, right? This is the consolidation here, right? As long as this low, we don't close beneath this low, because this is the low that brought us this high right here, right? This consolidation brought us this high. If we don't close below 509, then this has potential to go back up, right? And this consolidation will just be building enough wind for the bulls to catch sail. You know what I'm saying? So you want to see this dump, and you want to see the VIX. Oh, okay, VIX is at 40. Oh, back down to 35. That was like literally 2 seconds that we went to 40. Yeah, you just want to see things kind of cool down. Amazon's cooling down a little bit. Nvidia's trying to look like it might cool down. I don't know. As long as the VIX is at 35, we're in jeopardy. We're in jeopardy of being sizzled. We're getting dipped in butter, baby.
It's trying to rally.
It's at 40. It's trying to do something. I need more. I need the 70 level.
The 70 level.
Yeah, for me,
like the market's trying to put in a lower high here as well.
Yeah, for me, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this consolidation to go two ways. Either we're gonna drop like a rock out of this consolidation, right? Or we're gonna come back up and sweep the high one more time, get everybody out that shorted early, like myself, right? Sweep the high one more time, and then we flush, right? Or we just can continue to rally. But that's how I'm looking at it from a bearish standpoint. Like I may be just a tad bit too early on the short.
Yeah, I definitely want to see that guy at 535 get retested. I want to see what he does, or if they put some type of liquidity up there or something. Nope. Maybe they know it's not coming back up there. I don't know.
Or that was all he had. He had ammo. Because the buying's increasing down here.
Yeah, it's hard to.
He said, no, it's not coming back. It's a wrap.
It's hard for me to do anything in this area. I'm gonna wait for that guy to get retested. If this thing sells off, it's fine too. I'd be really uncomfortable in the short right now, right here. Let's check on these stocks. See what these stocks are doing. Looks like Nvidia wants to come down though. Nvidia's trying. Amazon's definitely coming down. So is Apple. What you got short at? You got short at 41.
What, Malik? What, Malik? He said, "You about to play? Are you about to play? You really do it?
Are you about to play, Josh?
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't." I'm glad. Josh wanted to save me. Y'all said y'all want to hear how you really annoy it? Yeah, don't do that. Leave that puck right where he at. I fuck with Josh, just not during market hours.
It looks like ES is slowly trying to sell off.
Facts. I think we'll come up one more time for that 10 o'clock macro or whatever time zone for maybe like a sweep of the high. Justin.
Yes. Sorry, I was typing. Yeah. I mean, as much as I want to get short, and I almost took the short when we retested that 50%. I'm just gonna wait for us to come back up and retest that guy, because if that guy should want to defend. If we don't come back up to him, then I just won't get short, because that'll give me my best risk to reward as well, because we'll be back up at that high. And like you're saying, we sweep the high, maybe we catch some more buyers off sides, maybe that guy comes back and defends, or maybe he doesn't, and maybe Pippi decides he wants to buy up more up there. I don't know, but
yeah, this just looks more and more like price acceptance to me. The longer we stay up here, it doesn't feel bearish. It doesn't feel bearish.
That's another good point.
Yeah, like the longer we stay up here, and the more buying that happens inside of this consolidation, it just doesn't feel bearish. But that's
actually a really good point. Like if you look at how bullish when we were down here, we spent no time down here and just rallied up, and then look at the consolidation here that we had. We spent some time here and then we rallied, and now we're up here. We didn't really spend a lot of time at the high, which is fine, but now we're consolidating back in this area And you would much rather see the flush.
Yeah, you much rather see a flush than this shit right here. This is not what I want to see. I'd much rather see a for sure dump. Yeah, it looks exactly like last night. It's the same stuff it was doing last night. And that's why I said, for me, it's so hard to be a bear because you got to deal with a lot of this. Look how we came up on the bullish side. And look how we're looking just to potentially short this thing. It's like you got to be so much more patient to be a bear in this market right now because the market is still bullish, right? If you took the loan, you got paid immediately. Immediately. You took the short, you'll probably make more money, but you're going to have to sit through it. You know what
I mean, you might make more money.
Nah, you'll make more money. If this thing flushes, huh?
Oh, yeah. If it flushes, we're taking the low.
Now, I was going to say, if this thing flushes, you'll make more money on the short than you will on the long, for sure. Because then... she don't understand. I tried to explain it to my wife yesterday. She was like, what is Pippi's real name? I said, that's a good question. I don't know. Pippi. She's like, She's like, why y'all call him Pippi? I had to explain to her why we call him Pippi. Why is his name Pippi Banks? And she was like, yeah, no, I don't get it. I was like, all right, well, that's as far as I go. That's as far as I go.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's where you got the Pips. You know what I mean? Pippi Banks.
You know,
it's actually really clever when you think about it.
No, it is. And I'm gonna say something. I already know it's corny. I already know. So you don't have to at me. I'm just letting y'all know now.
Here comes the disclaimer. It
is a disclaimer, right? So you got Pippi Banks, right? For Forex. Yeah. You have Tiki Banks
get this man off the fucking screen. Get this man off the screen, bro. I knew it was coming, man.
I'm just saying. Tiki Banks. You know, because you're banking ticks instead of banking pips. Tiki Banks. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
Tiki,
like get this
Tiki,
man. Get this, bro. What? I'm gonna put an application out for a new co-host real soon.
I put a disclaimer.
New job opening in the shop. We need a new barber. We need a new lead barber.
I gave a disclaimer that it was really corny, but I just thought it was kind of
it was so corny that it was kind of funny. Qualifications must have fire jokes because the last mofo was lame as heck. That's how he go with it.
He said.
Shut up, man. Let it break the structure before you say anything.
Boy, don't let them rub off on you. He said, get Jay out of the stream. He's scared the I thought it was kind of funny.
I'm telling you, applications for a new lead barber coming real soon, bro.
Tiki Banks.
Tiki Banks.
I'm gonna change my name to Tiki Banks.
Please don't. I will not call you Tiki Banks. I will ban you from the stream. I will change the password to everything.
Tiki Banks. What does Xavier say? Yes, protect me at all costs.
Protect Justin at all costs. You mean protect? You mean protect Tiki at all costs? Get out of here.
See, it works. They just some haters. Oh my God! Our sub count went to 997.
Yeah, see? Yeah, look. Look, we just got people to unsub. Way to go, Justin. Bro, they about to cook me on these shorts, bro.
I feel like once you get
losing subs. We're losing subs because Justin want to be called Tiki Banks. You see what I'm saying?
Once you get so close to 1,000, they just hate you.
I told you they haters, bro. I told you what to expect. When we was in the crypto shop, I dealt with the same thing. Every time I hit a whole number, they would just unsub just to F with me. I'm just like, all right, man, whatever. I don't really care like that. There's so much selling going on down here.
Oh my God, we went to 996 now. Wow.
Yeah, Justin. You still want to be Tiki Bank?
No, I don't want to be Tiki no more.
I don't really know how to take that. It's my short, it ain't yours, man. Okay, I don't like my short looking at Justin's screen because looking at Justin's screen looks like ES is bouncing or NQ's bouncing right off of VWAP after coming down extremely choppy, and now he's drawing a trend line to make sure I get cooked. He's like right about here when we break this trend line, it's gonna get cooked.
This is the trend that's holding right now. We'll see if we break it or not.
It's like, I'm just gonna put this little line right here, and if we break this, you're in trouble, buddy. You're in trouble, bro. This is so uncomfortable, bro.
This short is tough.
This is uncomfortable. I'm in a paper trade and I'm uncomfortable. All right, 1050 macros. Here we go. What's it gonna be? Up or down macros? Come on, up or down, buckos.
To the side.
Come on, Susie. Susie, make the call, Susie. Make the call. Oh, Jimmy, not against your boy, Jimmy. Chill.
Yeah, Jimmy, that's your baby you going against.
Oh Lord, shut up, Tiki. Tiki Banks. Shut up, VD.
Oh, it was so funny. I need this thing to. We need to do something, right?
Justin's itching to go long against me. I dare you to go against these Bears after what I saw last night. I dare you. I dare you to take this thing long.
To go long.
After what I saw last night, bro, I will not hit the long button today in practice. I am officially. This is a good day to practice short to market. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, I got reamed last night, bro. I was like, bro, ain't no way y'all can continue to sell. Every time I said that in my head, it was just like, zip. And you know it's worse when you're not actually talking to nobody, you saying it to yourself. In your brain, you like, ain't no way. Shit. Market was like, I don't know what you smoking. What is this? This is what happens when I take shorts, y'all. Every single time. That's why I don't take them.
Yeah, I just need to see something from someone.
Okay, Malik, it's too late. I'm already in the short. That's suggestion. I was suggesting you tell me that before when I start looking for longs, not when I'm looking in my trade and trying to save myself.
I don't think inverting your charts is really going to help the way you're seeing the market right now.
I know, right?
I don't think it's going to help.
What you're seeing is what you're seeing. And what you're seeing is trouble is potentially brewing. Bro, I knew. If my account already died, right? Like I've already shut that thing down. So the paper trade, hey, you lucky I don't add every time you keep playing games. I should have added 10 contracts right there. Keep playing games up here. I have no attachment to this paper trade. Zero attachment.
Well, the good thing is they're not really adding any. They're not really trying to stop sellers from selling this market down.
I don't like your entry, but what's wrong with my entry? My entry is spot on for a retest. No, I'm not. Am I? Let me see. Nah, I'm like 26. Yeah, it's uncomfortable. It usually drops at some point. Yes, I inverted my charts. Damn it, Justin told on me. He wouldn't flip my screen.
Yeah, it looks like we're about to come down. Break VWAP. It's just been a really
look at this choppiness trying to sell this market down, bro. Like this is
real ugly. This looks more like a pullback than it does a sell off.
Yeah, that's what it looked like last night, and then the bottom dropped out of that mother. The thing was like zip. I was like, oh, so y'all actually trying to sell the market up?
Yeah, that's true. Because we couldn't take that high up at that 1 hour.
This exact same thing happened to me last night, bro. There was a seller at 600 last night. Yep, I seen all of this. I was trying to long all of this. Trust when I tell you, I'm having flashbacks of what happened to me last night. I was like, man, double bottom, bro. We good. I switched to the 15. Oh, double bottom on the 15. Market was like, I don't give a. The market was like, I don't care about no double bottom, bruh. When we going down, we going down. You better get the F out my way. I was so sure that all of this bullishness, I'm seeing the same thing. I'm literally getting PTSD right now. Seeing the same thing I was seeing last night, but not work out. But because I'm short, today is probably going to run my stop.
Probably. It's not how it goes.
Probably, yeah. That's probably a good assumption there, buddy. Oh, VIX is at 42. Oh, shoot. Okay, more 45. Oh, I'm starting to become a believer. Oh, 39.
Oh,
really big.
What happened to me?
Really big.
You be like, yeah, man, this thing's about to go. The VIX is going, and then it gets rejected at BWAP. And you're like,
the VIX dropped like a rock. It hit 45. It was like 39. I was like, what? What happened? I thought you were on my team.
Well, at least you got Nvidia pulling back. It's just pulling back so slow.
No, now Apple's catching a bid.
Yeah, Apple is catching. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's like they switch off. It's like, okay, you sold off, cool. Now we're about to go ham over on Apple and Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia. You take a break. Y'all go sit down. It's like they take turns running.
This is a boring day so far. God.
Oh my God! Look at oil.
Dumping.
No.
It's running.
No. Oil pump. Oh my God.
Wasn't Justin the person saying oil wasn't moving like 30 seconds ago?
No, I said gold wasn't moving.
No, he talked about oil. You went to the chart and you was like, oil's not moving.
No. I said oil pump. I said gold's not moving.
Oh, okay,
is gold closed today or something? Gold is not.
Is gold closed today? No, it's not gold. It's not closed. It's a commodity. They don't. It's not a store. It's not a bank. Okay. All right, Bulls. All right, Jimmy.
What's your gold chart real fast for me?
No, I'm in the middle of my trade right now. I'm about to get stopped out. Can you let me get stopped out in peace? Oh my God. See, this is what I thought the market wanted to do last night. Let's see it get above the high though.
Oh, I was in replay mode. That's why gold wasn't moving for me.
Oh my God, Justin.
I was like, bruh, gold has not moved in so long. I said, what happened to gold? Oh, okay, my bad.
New co-host for the shop application.
My bad. I was literally freaking out. I was like, yo, gold has literally not moved. Okay, gold did pump. Okay.
All right, so go look at the chart, the 538 price starting at 423 in the morning on London. Just run a line through 538. Just a horizontal line straight through 538.
538.
Yeah, starting at 423.
$4.23.
538. Justin, is this really that hard for you for real?
423.
I gave you the time and the price.
I was trying to find 423. I found it.
I said 538 423.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay. I got it.
All right, see that? See how many times we double bottom across that level? And every time we look super bullish coming back up, right?
Yeah.
See what happened in the market? We was coming down the same choppy way. And then eventually we got to 500 and just flush. But we literally came down choppy the whole time. That's why I was so convinced that this was just like a fake out. I was like, man, we gonna chop down like this. We're gonna hit one of these levels. We're gonna go crazy. We was looking the same way. The only difference now is that the New York session is open and we're looking much more bullish and the stocks are pushing. So of course, I guess it's different.
The VIX is also rejecting VWAP. Oh, look at Apple.
Oh, Nelly. Oh boy. This is
look at Apple.
Oh boy. All right. Yeah. See,
no
shorts. No shorts.
This market's gonna be selling off like 200 points a day, and Hobbs is still gonna be trying to long.
This is why I can't be a bear, man. Like, what is this? Who shorts the market?
Hey, Valdez, what was that about that double bottom down there that you were talking about earlier?
He said, yeah, I told him. Hey, listen. Shut up and eat your barbecue beef.
He said, eat your Chipotle.
He said, shut up and eat your barbecue beef. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, the tape.
I don't think this guy is looking to defend his position up there at 535.
You think, Justin? We're coming up. We're coming up kind of fast.
don't think he's looking to the
Going up kind of fast.
I don't think he wants it.
Kind of fast here. Slow down, Jimmy. Susie from sales, take over. Hit the switch. You know what it is. I'm about to add to this position here in a second. Say something.
Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing.
He's like suicide. I didn't add yet. I said I'm about to if we get Selly up here at this level right here. Because I think the market wants to reject right here. Add.
As soon as he adds, it comes right back.
He said, I was about to liquidate his demo account. I got 2.9 million in here, bro. I'm playing one mini. Not possible. It's equivalent to playing one micro.
You got 2.9 million? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I went crazy that day. I think it was BTC and gold or something was going crazy. I was in like 100 contracts.
Yeah, I buy it. Mine is at mine's at half a mil, but that's because I played 10 contracts on was it 10? Maybe it was like 20. I played 20 contracts on Nvidia. It was the Nvidia earnings day, and the market went stupid. I made a whole bunch of paper money. It was kind of funny. Yeah, this thing is going to continue ripping. He does not. Yeah, that could have been a see, and that's what I was saying. Like that could have been a buyer getting out of his position.
I looked away to read a message. Oh my god.
Yeah. That seller might have been somebody just looking to get out. Let's see if he defends though. He coming back up to his price, real bullish like.
Let me show you how not to trade. Come in.
He's paper tilted, y'all. He's paper tilted.
I am tilted, bro. I'm so mad because I would have wanted to long this market, but no. Look for short, Todd. Look for short. You should just look to short the market all day. Okay. Just short the market. But man, we bullet. Short the market, Hub. Short the market.
I guess it's you and Malik.
You and Malik. See what I'm saying? I was just looking to short the market on your paper trade account today. You should only just practice the shorting. Now look at me, adding at the highs.
You really sound like a cartoon character.
Oh. I'm sorry. What's your name, stranger? He said, hello. Tell him another joke. That'll get him going. Add.
Oh God! Well, I guess you add enough. You can always be in profit.
Bro, I'm about to trade like what's his name?
Oh, NQ Trader.
Yeah. He like, what was up, buddy doing that day? He's like, add. I'm gonna add all the way up to settlement. Stop loss. Infinity.
That and Alpine. Alpine trades like that too. Alpine will blow an account quick as hell. Just add.
I'm just add until I'm break even, baby. Come on, add. I've never done this before.
Yeah, Alpine does it. Alpine's a master of the ad.
Oh, we got more buying coming in. Add to the sales. Oh yeah.
The master.
Yo, he's up there. He is up there. Add.
Hey, let's go, Emmett.
Kill him. Adding some more.
Emmett.
Let's go, Emmett. Murderville, baby. No, we back at our level now, baby. 35. This our area. This the area you want to add it right here. Add. I'm in 6 cons now.
Oh my God.
This is the level you want to add it right here. If you go add, you want to add right here. Come with the come with the 35 again. We'll see what I add.
He went to Trader Anonymous yesterday. He just was in a meeting confessing.
I was confessing my inability to short the market yesterday at Traders Anonymous. I was like, I have a problem, ladies and gentlemen. I can't short the market. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like something's wrong with me. Oh. Facts. All right, we at 35 again.
Yeah, we're okay. Oh,
yep.
Yeah,
more bullishness. Just do it again.
Swept that guy. Somebody just swept that guy.
I know they did, but he ain't stopped. They stopped it. He's holding price right there, though. Come on.
Yeah, we'll see. He's on price. And
he's on fire. Oh.
Yeah.
Just to say, yeah, you about to get your ass torched. Coming back up to 41.
I mean, this could be the lower. This could be the lower high being put in.
Mm-hmm.
This could be it. Okay. They just put 59 orders right there.
I'm just watching him get filled. Okay, go on.
This could be interesting.
Go on. Yeah. Go on. Long as he keep price below 35, I think they about to get cooked. Buyers is about to get cooked if he holds price. Oh, he's gonna dump on everybody. Bro, you see it? It's the same dude at 130. It's the same dude at 35, bro. Like every time we come up here, that's why I said every time we come up to 35, I'm gonna add every time we come up there. I'm in 10 now. Is it 11-10 yet? Let's see. Almost time.
That was interesting. That's interesting. Oh no, never mind.
They either gotta put him underwater or he's a buyer, right? Like that's it. That's the only thought process. Yeah, they either have to put him underwater or he's a buyer, and I'm betting he's a seller. So we'll see what happens. Come back up to 35 again. Come here. How many we loading up, y'all? I'm at 10 right now. 35? Oh, add. 36? Add. 37? Add. Uh-oh. I can't run out of ammo market, so you can act like I need to change my better. I warned. Look, I put the disclaimer out before the show started that I was paper trading. I said, you do not want to follow my paper trades today. I am getting some shit out of my system today. Add. Gotta beat it out your system, man. Beat it at pause. We about to get Justin going.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm trying to. I'm locked in to see what happens at this level.
No, Boyd, I did not watch Dave's latest video. What happened?
Nakia said,
I'm adding because the dude is still defending his position. Like I know I'm joking, but I'm being serious in regards to what I'm reading on the tape. The 35 is a defensive area. He is coming to dump on this market. I'm telling y'all right now, he's either going to sell this market down or he's going to be underwater. And let's go. Dump this shit. Look at that. Come on. All right, now my entry is 32. No, it's going to be more. I'm trying to get it higher. If he comes up to about 41 or so, I don't think he'll allow price to get too far away from him. Nakia says, what? No. Okay, listen. I'm paper trading Nakia. Is it Nakia or Nakia? I'm paper trading, and I was told after having a horrible night last night of trading my actual account, right? I hit my max loss for myself, not for the funded account, but it was because like mentally, like I just hate longing the market. This is a paper trade account. Look, guys, Paper trade account. I'm only paper trading, but I'm serious about what I'm seeing on the tape. Just to be clear, I'm dead serious about what I'm seeing. The stop loss is absolutely horrendous. There's no way I would ever have a stop loss 50 points. It would not happen. Like, it wouldn't. But I don't want to get stopped out of the entry, so I'm just leaving it there for now, right? The entry and what I'm seeing on the tape, the size, this is just for fun, right? I'm just having a good time. Right? Don't take me seriously. And I made a disclaimer before I started the stream. Do not follow my paper trades today, unless it's the entry. Everything else, I wouldn't follow the stop loss. I wouldn't follow the take profit. But the entry is what I'm focusing on in regards to what I'm doing for bearish activity today. The market is rigged when Hobbs dumping the market with demo contract. Careful, they hunt your demo like they did to ICT. I mean, they could run it, but again, here, let me show you guys what I'm actually seeing, so you understand why I keep adding at these highs, right? Like the theory behind me adding at these highs. Let me show you guys what I'm actually seeing, so you won't think that I'm just a crazy person on YouTube, right? All right, so. That's fine. I don't care about that. The delta right here at 35, right? 535. Remember, I told you guys when the market pushed up here super aggressively, there was a buyer, right, that pushed the market here. But then there was a seller that absorbed all his liquidity, 400 and something lots, right? And ended up being the difference, basically the difference between buyers and sellers up here was a negative delta, right? That doesn't mean that the market's going to flush, but it does mean this. It does mean this. There's an interest from a seller to get filled at that high. We don't know if he's a person taking profit, if he wants to, doesn't want to defend his position, or he's just going to get put underwater. We don't know that. My thesis is that he's a seller that's trying to push the market back down, right? If he's going to push the market back down, he's going to have to sell the F out of the market, right? So my thought process is every time price comes up here to lower my position, I'm just selling the market every time we get up there. That's it. Just so you guys understand what the thought process behind the paper trade is. So. All right, coming back up to 35 again. Still no break of structure. Still no break of the lows. More buying continuing coming in. But again, let's see them put 35 underwater. If they put this guy at 35 underwater, stand the F by, because if he closes, this market is going to sin. Absolutely sin. But if they continue to stop him, if he continues to stop price, eventually the buyers will fold. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I still haven't figured out what this level is just yet. It sucks because nothing on the tape
I don't know what it is. I just know that it's a very
really
tough. It's acting as resistance right now. But
the VIX
doesn't. The VIX doesn't show that there's a ton of selling going on right now either. So it's interesting.
And the stocks are kind of all over the place. You can't really get anything from them.
I'm just going off what I'm seeing here on the tape.
Yeah, I don't know what this level wants to be, so that's why I'm just kind of keeping my hands off. Like, we keep coming up, we keep rejecting, but there's not like an active guy on the tape trying to stop price there or anywhere near here. And
here comes the volume.
So I don't know.
Here he comes. If he gets beneath those lows, man, oh my God, this thing's gonna print.
All right, there's a big, wait, no, is that the guy just trailing? There was like 70 lots, but I don't think that's really anything. Yeah, this area is really interesting. I just don't have an edge one way or the other, so I'm just gonna sit on my hands until something happens.
Yeah, it's really choppy up here. In my real account, if I wasn't short at 41 or on that retest, I probably wouldn't be in either.
Yeah, I'm not touching this until I see something. Like this level is clearly important, but like I'm saying, I don't know whether that guy took profit. I don't know whether he was selling the market and trying to defend. But currently, it doesn't look like he's trying to defend anything. but he could be trying to absorb orders from the buyers up here to stop them. That is something I'm actively watching, but haven't seen it.
The VIX is definitely not giving me that vibe like he wants to slow price down. Let's see what happens here when we come up to 35 again. I want to see what the delta yields. Still not a lot of selling that took place. Wasn't a lot of selling that took place up there that time. When we came through 35 that time, there was way more buying through 35, and now they're putting orders beneath 35. So this could be in danger of getting a $10,000 loss on my $2.8 million paper trade account here.
Yeah, now they're putting orders below.
Let's
see what they do. Yeah, they just spooked them.
Hold on. I'm thinking about it. You know, I'm thinking about it right now. I'm like 41. Hold on.
Yeah, we're back in supply.
Yeah, I know.
Really big CVD divergence. Really nice sweep right there as well.
Yeah, I think he's baiting. I think this is a bait. I think this is a bear trap. I mean, a bull trap.
Yeah,
I think this is a bull trap. Too. The way we came up and the CVD did dip down like that feels like a bull trap. Come on. 15 cons, baby. 11,000 to make 100K. Come on. I mean, 35K, 3-1. Dude, this is trash price action. I agree with Hobbs. Yeah, the equal lows look interesting. Yeah, they do look good, but I'm the way I'm looking at this, guys, is I get what I'm seeing right here. I understand the 1 minute narrative here. Trust me, I do. But I'm not basing this trade off the 1 minute narrative. I'm basing this trade off the 1 hour narrative, right? If you look at the 1 hour, yeah, we keep rejecting the same level. I'm basing this trade off the 1 hour narrative, not the 1 minute. The way I'm looking at this is that price has been delivered here already, right? So what is the delivery, or what is the person going to do with the package from here? They're going to return it to sender, right? Or they're going to let it push through. I don't know, but my thesis is it's going to go short. If I'm wrong, hey, it is what it is. But I'm paper trading it with 15 cons because I'm feeling some type of way after last night, right? Like that is what it is. Y'all been there. I'm just not taking it out on my real account. That's all.
Yeah, I'm thinking if we can break this low.
The derf. Grand of derf. Yeah, like it just, again, the VIX is not participating, but it wasn't really participating last night, right? The stocks are just, I mean, Apple's looking like it wants to Uno reverse right now, right? Like everything looks like it's about to fall, except for the VIX. I need the VIX to get a pump. And if the VIX gets a pump, these 15 cons are about to print. I'm telling y'all. Don't say I ain't gay y'all nothing.
Yeah, I think if we can break below the low, come back and retest 38 again, I think that's gonna be the end.
Yeah, we just gotta break a low. Once we break a low, it's over, right? Like the bulls are holding the lows really nicely, but if we break one of these lows and that signals the sellers, it's over. This market's gonna flush. It's over.
Yeah, we got a potential head and shoulders forming on the 1 minute that I'm kind of watching right now. But yeah, these buyers
run it. See if they run it like they zip it up real quick, sweep the highs, and then come down.
Oh,
what?
Nah, just how bullish we snatch liquidity and just run right back up.
Bro, you need to watch Tokyo and London sometime, because I'm telling you, this junk looks exactly like Tokyo and London, bro. Exactly like it. I think every time, I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm just saying what I think might happen is I think we might run the high and then come down, like aggressively come down, basically trap as many buyers as we can by running the high and then come back down. Yeah, it's not based on the 1 minute. It's based off the 1 hour where price is already at. I know what's happening on the 1 minute, but the trade's not based off the 1 minute. It's based off the 1 hour. Yeah. And there was a ton of selling that came out of that area. And it caused a break of structure, right? Like the 1 hour candle broke structure, right? Like I'm not imagining this, right? Like this happened, right? Like we came down off this area and we broke structure. So what's the job on the 1 hour? Is to come back up here, put in a low, retest the high that brought it here, right? And then come back down and take out this low, right? And then the next thing is gonna do, oh, it tapped it again. Yeah.
Yep, we tapped 35 again.
Yep. Yep. And then the next thing we're gonna do is try to come back down here to this daily fib, right? So when I'm planning out the trade, yeah, I'm joking about the size, but I'm serious as a heart attack when it comes to what I'm seeing.
I'm serious,
right? Like I'm joking with the size. Right? You never heard that, Justin?
No.
God, bro, who did you grow up with?
Never heard I'm serious as a heart attack.
You never heard I'm serious as a heart attack. Lord Jesus.
No, never heard of it.
Who did? Oh, that was good. That was good because the way you said it was like you actually met somebody. That's actually really clever. You never heard of it, boy? You got an excuse. You weren't born in this country.
Yeah. Boy, they never heard of it. Yeah,
Justin's
boy.
Heard it.
Yep.
Heard
no,
it.
I haven't. I swear.
Ask your wife if she ever heard
honest if I ever heard of it.
I'm serious as a heart attack.
Okay.
Nobody, you never heard, like in your entire life, you've never heard that. That's so wild. I don't know where Justin from. Sometimes some of the stuff he don't know, I'd be like, wait, what?
I'm not from Florida though, but
they're not from Florida though. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody from Florida thinks they're from the South because they're the most southern state, but they ain't really that southern. Texas is way more southern than Florida is. That's for sure.
Bro, I watched a lot of Hollywood movies. I know the coach. I bet. Well, then I'm serious as a heart attack, boy.
But all right, here we go. We're coming down now. He's got to break this.
Justin's in short, guys. Don't
I'm not in short. No,
you ain't taking up there to 35. We top 41 5 times.
I know.
How much more do you need to see?
I don't know. I just don't trust it. I don't know. We may very well dump from here, and I'll take.
I gave you the whole analysis from the rooter to the tutor.
No, I saw it. It's just I didn't see anything that really stuck out. Besides, we've been holding that level real nice.
Yeah. Let me check the 15-minute chart. See what we're looking like. Oh my God, the 15-minute looks so bearish. If we can just close below a low, these bulls can chill the F out. That'd be nice.
Yo, these 15-minute candles are so wicky. It's not even funny.
Yeah, both sides, right?
Yeah. We got 2 full body candles, 3 full body candles on the day, and everything else is a big ass wick.
Yep.
My God.
I can't call it honestly. Like, huh?
Oh, J Rock just sent a message.
Oh, good morning, John. What's going on, brother? You're from North Carolina? Yeah, of course. Everybody from the South said I'm serious. Like that was like I thought that was like a given thing, but it could just be from the South. Serious as a heart attack?
Yeah, no.
I don't think it comes from a movie. I think it's from like a Southern culture. Like I'm from Alabama, right? Like
you're from Texas. It makes sense.
Yeah, you're from Texas. He said you're from Texas.
Never heard it.
Shut up.
Anything Southern, I know you know it.
Yeah.
You probably invented some crazy stuff.
Yo, if you're in this trade, God bless. This thing is slow. Look how long it takes to sell this market off, man. This is how you know it's still super bullish.
Yeah, and every time we come down, we pop right back up.
This is what I was dealing with, bro. This is why I hit max loss last night. Because every time we was coming down, I was like, time to get low.
Look at this. Look at this.
And then we get clinched. Come right back down. I'm like, bro, what is this?
This is like a more aggressive buys coming. See, this is why I
may not trade my funded all week if the price gonna be like this. We ain't accomplished nothing today. We went nowhere. We got nowhere.
We've been trading sideways for the past 30 minutes.
My wife said, Justin, where'd you grow up? In a hole?
in a hole? Yes. Yes, I did.
Yeah, Justin don't know half the things that I feel like are just like common things. Justin don't know them.
Well, common. I just never heard someone say I'm serious as a heart attack.
All right, here we go. Now we're sliding down. They laughed at me when I was adding up there, Malik, Valdez. They was laughing at us, man. They was laughing at us. They're not gonna laugh no more, huh? They're not gonna laugh no more. Ain't nobody laughing no more, huh? He might have been on to something. I know what I saw, right? You lucky I didn't open up my account. Y'all lucky I was just like sitting over here like, man, I'm gonna be disciplined. I loved everything about this area, right? Everything about what I was seeing, but I want to see if this dude I think he wants to take the market down. But this is why it's so hard to be a bear though, right? Like, look at how like that aggressive push down on the 1 minute or the 2 minute. Look how hard it is to sell his market down, man, compared to how we come up. It's crazy. But when we get going, when that momentum kicks in, that thing goes, boy, goes.
You just need the stocks to start participating in the shorts, I think.
The VIX, shit.
Well, that too, but these stocks, every single time we start to sell off even a little bit, the stocks, they bounce back up. Like Apple bouncing, Amazon's bouncing, Microsoft's bouncing. Like
these fools just keep buying, bro. They just keep buying. But it don't matter because whoever this dude is at 35, he don't care. He like, keep buying, I got more. Keep buying, I got more, right? Like he just keeps adding to his position. Look how he's sliding liquidity down. I think he wants to melt faces today. Think about how many I know. Go ahead, brother. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Anybody gonna knock you for EMAs? Shit, I turn them bitches on when we trending.
I'm knocking you for the
exactly.
EMAs.
You know what I'm saying? Like you do you, baby. I ain't tripping. Ain't got nothing to do with me. Yeah, it's like a perfect tap, like where basically he denied price both times. The only problem with the double tap is it's not providing a break of structure to the downside. So somebody's got to win, right? Either he's gonna get put underwater when they rip it up, right? Or he's gonna put them underwater. So we'll see. It's a bull market, so we'll see.
These bulls have been just absolutely nuts.
Yeah, man, it's a very uncomfortable paper trade. I'll say that much. It's filled with ups and downs. You say what now? Today was not the day, bro. I'm so glad I'm paper trading today. I knew it. Like after my London session, I said I'm not trading this shit today. If this is gonna be what we dealing with today, I'm not effing with New York. My wife said I'm sweating like a whore in church on Sunday for real.
See, real. I know that phrase. Shut up. Phrase, I got you.
Shut up, Justin.
I got that one. That one is all good.
That one I know.
That one. I'm here for that.
Bro, yeah, we've been up here for like, what is this? Like an hour? We've been up here for like an hour.
I just don't like the shorts up here. Like we just cannot sell off. It just now I feel like you. Like I just feel uncomfortable shorting it. Like I feel uncomfortable.
I feel you.
Boy, I
feel you. I feel you, bro.
I'm just too uncomfortable to short. Like there's just I want to see something really definitive on the tape to short the market.
It is not there.
Seen it. Like I
you want to see the only reason why I wouldn't take this in my real account, like just looking at it, is just because of the VIX. Like I would need the VIX to show some strength, right? And I just feel like, say again, what's that?
What's wrong?
Oh, Mr. Hey man, I sure wish y'all had the tape on, man. I wish I could see what y'all see.
No, that's not why he
Oh, is that what they said? Is that what he said? I didn't know that's what he said.
Yeah.
Let me just change the channel. I don't even know why I came over here. Yeah, because the bubbles have no bearings. No bearing. They don't mean anything.
Here's another lower high. At least they're getting a little bit more aggressive here.
Bro. They trying to dump this market, man.
They are trying.
I just need the VIX. I just need the VIX to participate. Once the VIX goes to like 70, this thing's gonna dump.
Nvidia's coming down. Nvidia's trying to break VWAP, and so is Apple. Yeah, it looks like all the stocks are starting to kind of agree with the selling, so hopefully they can start to sell.
Crazy part is I've only been in drawdown for like 10 points of this entire trade.
The VIX is trying to move up as well.
Yeah, we're hitting 40 right now. I want to see 70. We can get back up to 70. That's where we were last night. Get back up to 70, I'll know we're at least at that strength from last night. The fear is at least that high.
It's just, I mean, not lying. When we buy,
yeah. And to answer your question, Void, about Dave, I love what Dave provides to this question right here, because I wasn't going to answer it, but I feel like I should. Right. So I'm not a big fan of, I love what Dave provides to the industry. Right. But I'm not a big fan of a lot of the extra shit. Right. Like I'm just not a fan of that. Right. Like, so for me and Dave, I'm good, but I keep Dave where Dave is and I stay where I am. Right. So no diss on him whatsoever, but it's just not my cup of tea. Right. Like I don't like the drama. Right. It's just too much of it surrounding him. So for me, it's a no. So just to clarify on that, Void. Yeah. Appreciate the knowledge though. You know what I mean? Like the knowledge is beautiful. I'll never knock you for the knowledge. All the extra shit, miss me with that. All right, so we are trying our absolute hardest to break through 15. If we get through 15, the market's gonna melt.
We have gone nowhere. Talk about we've literally been in
battle, bro. We've been up here forever. This is why I don't like short the market, man. Y'all be telling me short the market high, short the market high. Why?
I mean, you can't even long the market here.
You can't do it.
I feel uncomfortable shorting or longing.
But when we long the market at the bottom, look how fast we came up.
I mean,
right? You got your money right away. When you short the market, we gotta wait hours to potentially get the market to go down. I don't even know if this trade is gonna work out. I think it is, but I'm not sure. After an hour of being up here, I'm not sure. Look at this hour candle. Look at these bulls. They are throwing everything at this level, trying to break it.
Yeah, it's
somebody paycheck riding on this one.
It's not comfortable.
Jimmy's in trouble, bro. Jimmy's like, I gotta keep buying. We can't go down. Keep buying.
I gotta see something on the tape. I can't short this market when we look like this. We've been up here
bro. This is a very uncomfortable position, bro.
I'm not. Very uncomfortable position. I have not clicked the buy or sell button once today, and the only time I would have clicked it is for that long, but I missed it. So yeah, I'm good. Void said, I respect that we don't live in any man's shadow.
Nah, not at all.
Just the vid, it's too easy. It made me look stupid for every loss. Look at my journey. Nah, I feel you. I don't know. I know he put out 2 videos. I watched one of them. It was actually one that he had actually put out in his Discord. Funny enough, he just reposted it.
Nah, I just don't like the shit he said on his live stream. Somebody told me that he was talking some shit about people who trade bubbles, and I'm the only motherfucker that trade bubbles. So just to be all the way 100, I don't like that shit, right? Like I'm the only person that he knows that trades bubbles, right? If I'm gonna be all the way 100 about it, like I didn't like it, and I don't like some of the other slick shit he be saying. So just to be clear, that's why I don't f with Dave, right? So I'll just put it all the way out there. That's it. And once I heard that, I said, okay, you got my number, you got my cell, you got all that stuff. Why you just didn't call me? So once I heard that, I was like, I'm cool off Dave. So just so you know, Void, I'm not telling nobody else not to watch his content. I think he provides a lot of educational content, right? I love what he does, but all that extra stuff, all that sideways talking, Hobbs ain't the one. So rather than have black on black crime, I just chose to, turn the other cheek.
Oh, you know what? You know what he's really good at? He's really good at sneak dissing. That's what he does.
Yeah, he a good sneak disser. You know what I'm saying? But I'm a good listener, right? You can't sneak me. You can't out slick a can of oil, bro. You know what I'm saying? So when you be sneak dissing, like I don't listen. People tell me, but all that sneak dissing stuff, bro, call me, right? Like I'm not the one, man. Like let's just move on. Let's talk about the trade because I'll get warmed up in here and y'all won't even like the show no more. So
yeah. Hobbs is not a sneak disser.
I'm not a sneak disser. I'm right to your face, in your gut, in your chest. I'm gonna let you know if I don't like you. So I'm trying to be chill. I'm trying to keep
it dissing here.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it gentleman like, but don't test me.
He's the Kendrick Lamar.
How could you really like this trade? I really do not like this trade. I know
consolidation is.
I know it has a high probability of working out, but I really hate the trade. I don't know why you like it.
I think for us to sell down, we're gonna run the high. We're gonna have to run the high one more time.
We gotta go find more sellers
or something because there's no selling at these lows, so they're just gonna continue to hold them. So we're gonna have to grab liquidity again.
We got to. We're out of fuel.
Yeah, I don't like this. The longer we stay up here, the longer the shorts look worse and worse to me.
It's just as like the longer we stay up here, the more seasoning they putting on your shrimp ass.
Barbecue
shrimp. They about to bake
Valdez come out of nowhere.
Yeah, Valdez off the top rope. They gonna bake you.
Oh, bro, you know what you need to add to the soundboard is the Undertaker thing. You need to add that.
Yeah, that was pretty good. From what you would call it. I gotta do a bunch of stuff to the soundboard. I'll be forgetting, man.
Yeah, that would actually be so funny.
Yeah, boy. I like I said, man, it's not my cup of tea, bro. Like I've done everything to support the dude, and up, give him the up and up every time I talk about him. And I feel like every time he not says my name but talks about me, it's in a negative connotation, right? And I'm not the one, bro. I'm just not the one. So I just rather just cut ties and move on with my life. Because if I address it, some people may think less of me. So
yeah, we continue to consolidate here.
We're not consolidating anymore. We're about to break out of this trade Malik liked so much.
Or that might happen too.
Not you. I mean, I genuinely don't care what people. Oh my god, no. I got you.
At the end of the day, we are traders. We must be professional. Our business is paying bills. We keep pushing. Facts.
Yeah. You a loser. You a sucker, man. Period, point blank. Stay in a sucker's place.
Just know there was some connotation behind that.
Don't get me warmed up in here.
There was some connotation behind that y'all didn't hear, so just don't take that the wrong way. I'm just gonna throw that out there right now. There was some connotation behind what you said. No, they can't hear you. So there was some connotation behind that. There was extraness down back there.
Bro, there is so much buying going on this tape right now. Like Jimmy is really trying to get his job back right now. He's like, no, 50. We're going up.
They're gonna take 50.
They're about to take this dude out. They're about to put him underwater.
They're taking 50. I think that dude. I honestly think that dude was I think he was just getting out of his position. I really do.
Or he was getting into a position and now he's in trouble. We'll never.
Or that, which means he's gonna get smoked.
Yeah, I'm looking like barbecue chicken in this paper tray right now. Should I add Malik or should we be done adding? I think I need to add. Oh, he's like, well, just for the record, I would have never added, just so you know.
The other thing that could be happening too, if we get above this guy, this might actually be support. Like it's been resistance. So
this is 100%, man. If we can hold here, let me look at the 30-minute.
Yeah, because for me,
He like, don't do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why was I shooting this?
We never broke structure. Not once.
Not one time, bro. Like, not once did we break this damn structure. Yeet! All right, now we're above the high. Now it's selling time, right? Like now you're in trouble, or you could add.
Yeah, because as we move up, all the people who got short are getting stopped out right now and just fueling this rally up higher.
Mofos, they getting stopped out with me and my paper. Look at this.
Well, we will see.
Bro. This thing is shot up.
Yeah, let's look at these stocks. Let's see. Microsoft getting a little bit of a bid.
We're not going to move down until the VIX gets heavy. If the VIX doesn't get a bid, then we're just going to continue to push up.
Meanwhile,
high I might add.
Crude oil
can't get above down. 42, 43. Look, every time we come up here, the same candle print. That was 46.
Yeah, that was actually a pretty nice rejection right there.
Oh no!
That boy said add. No, you don't add.
No. This is not the time to add, boy. Not after what I just saw. You know what we just saw on the tape. We all saw it at the same time. We was like, no. Ow. They just slapped like 100 orders of liquidity on the tape, and it looked like it got filled too. And then they started pushing price. So I'm like, I'm just gonna stay in the trade.
This might actually be the sweep though. They might have caught people. Are they hitting everybody with the AI crossover on MJ?
They hitting them with the hezzies today hard. Hezzy, head fake.
I mean, at least now we have some liquidity above. We just broke that high, got rejected. Looks like we're trying to break down here. I just want to see if they're pushing some liquidity down as well, which is interesting. Let's
see if he snatch souls this time. More selling.
I swear, if they use 35 as support,
please don't.
Now that we're above it, and we closed above it, oh my god.
Justin, why you can't just say it the other way? Why you can't say like, man, I hope they sweep through 35 this time because it's gonna be epic.
You're in a paper trade. This means nothing to you.
I know, but my feelings are attached. Okay, I had a bad day of trading. I'm compounding that bad day of trading with a bad day of paper trading. Okay, this is not helpful. At all. Like, my account may not see the light of day. 15 minute looks.
The 15 looks so ugly, man. The amount of wicks we've had on this 15 minutes.
That's why you gotta switch to that 30 minute. That 30 minute
ugly.
This was all trapped.
Actually,
everybody in here is trapped.
Actually, though, looking at the 15 minutes volume, like it's actually really, really low. Like we've been coming down super aggressive on the volume, so this might actually look like it could be the end. Yeah, I'm still on the short side.
Yeah, he like, I think them loans is trapped, man. I just got out, so I ain't one of them.
Yeah. It definitely was. We swept both sides.
We're holding it is the problem, right? Like the problem is it looks like a sweep, but we're holding it, right? Yeah. Price is holding up here. Same thing. This is what now y'all understand why my day went array last night, right? Like awry or whatever. It's because just like y'all seeing the bullishness, you see Valdez keep getting long. I was in the same boat. I was just like, there's no way they're gonna sell this off. Like I don't care. We're going up, and we kept breaking structure until we hit a certain level, and then it was just like, no, we're not going higher. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, Valdez, I mean, you could have just rolled with me, bro. You ain't have to make sure you put a difference between the way that I traded versus the way that you traded. You know, like, we didn't have to do that.
He said I added no losers.
There's a clear-cut difference between the way that I traded and the way that you traded, loser. That's basically what
he did trade in a much more volatile time too, where the market, could push up a lot quicker.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? So
I was dealing with the fact that the market could just pop at any time or dump at any time and then slow all the way down. I wasn't dealing with that high volatility of New York. I was in like a slow London session.
Yeah, this is like it wants to come back down, but I just
about to add. Let me look at the
there's an interesting large seller at the top of price.
I'm about
See
to
that
add
546.25. There's a 147 delta, which is kind of interesting because that means there's a lot of sellers up there. So
yeah, it is interesting. How'd they get up there?
Because of that sweep. When we swept, they sold. But again,
but you would want to see trapped buyers up there for the short.
Yes, but
the fact that there's a lot more selling up there than buying is the good thing.
Yeah, on the opposite side, yeah, you got to ask like, well, why are all those sellers up there? Like that could have been sellers getting out.
I like the way you think, Justin. Add.
Yeah. Okay, he used that to add. Okay.
I like your thesis there.
I mean, I've seen it before. I
should have bought more. That's what I would say when it comes down. I should have bought more. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, Lord.
Buyers again.
Isn't that your candle structure right there about this? Shit.
Well, yeah, kind of. It is kind of his structure.
Damn. Shit. Shit. Yeah, I know that thing don't miss, bro. That's all I'm like, shit. They about to cook my ass. This guy's good. If this cooks me, I'm probably gonna go until after the stream and just start trading with like 100 minis. Oh, you're shorting? You're shorting now? Okay. Look. Yeah, if we die together, yo. After this, I'm putting up 100 minis to the short side.
Oh God.
Going down. I'm gonna be 100 lot. I'm gonna be the market maker today, baby. I'm the market maker. Oh Lord Jesus. I'm gonna pray for my trade. Dear Heavenly Father, come to you asking your blessings upon this paper trade. Bro, are you looking at the tape? There's nothing good about the tape right now in its formation. This is what I call like this looks like battlefield formation on the tape right now. They look like they're gearing up ready for war. Whatever happens,
I'm in the wrong account.
You know it's fake. If you got an unexpected check in the mail, this say 20K, you might as well go and toss that in the trash. They don't want nothing but you.
They want your signature.
Come on, Bears. Come on.
Oh, this market.
Oh Lord Jesus! Here they come! Here they come! Boy, get out! Get out, boy!
Look at those buyers! Oh my God!
All right, this has to hold. Has to hold. Oh Lord, they're continuing. If this fails, I'm adding max size. I don't even know what max size is, but I'm getting there.
1,000 minis.
Oh, feet don't fail me now. Let's see. What the sellers at? Let me find out what the VIX doing. I don't think the sellers is here, y'all. Oh boy.
Look at Apple.
Shut up.
Apple is running right now.
It just is like, I'm gonna need you to stop short this market.
Look at the VIX. Oh my God.
No. I can see the VIX. VIX ain't doing nothing.
I mean, but it's still at the low, Jesus. Though. It's still that low.
Oh, boy, stay out, boy.
Yeah, they're not. The sellers are not trying to protect those highs either. They're not reloading.
That guy down there at 35, he's long gone.
Yeah, it's about to go.
That shit about to run.
That's a nice little sweepity sweep. Little sweepity sweep.
I feel like barbecue chicken out here, y'all.
Where's the man that's shorting? He's gone. He's long gone.
He underwater right now. Right now, the he's underwater like a mother lover. Yeah, they adding barbecue sauce. They about to flip me over. They about to flip me over like.
Pause. Pause.
That's why you say yay. My back hurts. Oh, my back.
Come on, Hobbs. Come on. Oh my, pause. And your wife says I'm saying it too much. God, over.
I hate all of you. Oh man. Come on, man. We're gonna fail to take London here.
Ooh.
Come on.
What? Hey, boy said.
Now you don't want to see the 40s voice and pause. Yeah, my bad, boy. Boy, you got Yeedy for 2 points. Hey, that was a tight stop right there.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all.
Man. Oh.
All right.
Well, all them sellers that
we gotta break some type of structure though for me to want to get short at this point. I want to see is we gotta get.
Oh, there they go. There they go. Come on, okay, Susie.
Just close below 35.
Just close
below 35, and I'm
one time, man. Come on, Susie. We got them right where we want them, baby. We got them right where we want them. Come on, Susie.
These buyers are in trouble over here too. At a
we bought up at 11.48. Place up at them highs.
They're in trouble. They're in trouble. But
get your ass underwater. Choke them out, Craig. Knock them out, Craig. Come on, Craig.
Hey, I'm sorry. This is Debo stealing bikes.
Yeah, come on, Craig. Come on, Craig.
Oh, Debo about to steal all the sellers' bikes.
Bro, what a sweep though!
That was a strong sweep.
There's definitely some sellers up here. We definitely in sellers territory. It just depends on it. Just okay. Come on, get through that. All of that consolidation.
Yeah, I just need to see him break
all of that consolidation. It's game time, baby. Come on, come back down to my entry, and we should be good. Close below my entry, and we should be straight.
I need to see him get below all this consolidation here. Just get below 35 and we straight.
Oh my god.
So we want to be curve, huh?
That means that we're using it support. Don't use it as support.
Oh, they just hit 35.
Oh my god.
We're support 35 is being supported now.
His liquidity and that ain't stepping on it.
They use 35 as support.
They stepping on him. I was like, the one thing that I don't want to see is 35 used as support. I was like, please God, don't stop right here. Please don't stop right here.
You know, it's funny because
stepping on him right now, bro. That's so rude. That's so
funny
rude.
Because we found that using the bubbles, you'd have never known they were going to use that as a support without the bubbles. I'm just saying the bubbles might be useful sometimes, you know.
Bubble gang. Yeah.
They cooking us both ways. Damn right they are. That's what I'm saying out.
They be at all, bro. I'm in this paper trade letting it all out, bro. I'm letting all my demons out right here.
But there's no continuation to the short side. We're continuing to the long side, but it's just taking forever.
There's no reason to be ambitious about this market going short until we at least put a freaking lower high in. I mean a lower lower low in.
Let's see if they defend this right here though. This is where the lot of strong buying started, and those buyers are in trouble. But if they get this above, then we're just gonna continue going.
Oh my god. Vix, wake up. You've been in a freaking coma. This is, if anybody asks me from now on why I don't short the market, I'm just going to replay this tape. This trade that I've been in for freaking 2 hours. That's all I'm going to do. I'm like, I want you to just watch to see what happens when I short the market, right? Just so you can see. Like, it's just so, it's almost pointless to be a bear in this market. It's pointless. It's pointless, man. It's pointless.
All right, here we go. We got some consolidation right there.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
Kind of come down.
I'm almost at 20 now. Let me get to 20. Let's go. All right, I'm at 20. I'm at 20% of my max size. You hear me?
Did we hit the yeah, no, you're at 20% of your back size.
Of my back
we
size.
hit the 50% of that. Oh, we did hit the 50% of the
yeah, we tapped right into the 50%. Like we're there. We're at the area where things should get popping. Whether or not we got enough sellers to do it, I don't know.
Just don't fold. Don't get folded like a pretzel. This is garbage. I can tell y'all this. I'm so happy I've stayed out of this. My stress levels would be on another level.
I'm glad you stayed out of it too. This is nuts, man. I've been in this trade since what, 9:30?
Oh yeah, your time, yeah. Yeah, you
bro.
Yeah, I just realized it hasn't been that long, huh?
This candle right here at freaking 10:21.
Oh, man.
I got in on the retest on the candle at 10:25. I've been in this trade since 10:25 Eastern time. So a whole hour right now.
Yeah. It's almost like the market has just accepted this price up here. It just wants to push further.
Yeah, sellers are done. They're toast.
We'll see though. This area could hold. There's a massive CVD divergence going on from that.
Bro, we've been diverging the whole way up. Buyers don't care.
That too. Let me check
they just keep buying this shit. They don't care. They're like, yeah, we know it's a bunch of selling. Yeah, we're a bunch of buyers, so we're gonna keep.
Okay. Well, this is interesting. They just threw 115 lots up there at 52.50. That's the high.
Reminder. The guy at 35 sold 413.
Oh, they took it off.
Just a reminder for context purposes. And he sold 413, and we still ended up 15 points above his entry.
Well, maybe he's trying to ease into a position. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe
he need to ease on down the road a little bit further. He need to do something, man. Bro, are we really gonna consolidate up here for the whole day? This has to be distribution, bro. This has to be. We've been up here too long for this to be a good thing. This can't be good. This cannot be good, man.
Now.
We're not moving higher, bro. This cannot be good. This can't be good. Let me check the 4 hour.
Every time we sell off, the bulls they look at it as an opportunity to gobble price right back up.
Every dip is being bought up. Carmine. Oh, but look at the CVD now. It's half. It's down to half what it was when we came up here.
Yeah, because that we had like massive selling on that way down right there. We just held where that selling started too. So,
oh my God, can we
maybe
just
we
break
finally
one low?
I don't know.
Can we break one low? I'm so glad I'm not trading today. If I was Justin, I would just close my account.
I'm pretty much reserved to just not trade it all today. Like at this point, I'm just like,
this is horrible, man.
There's nothing to do.
Horrible, bro.
Cash is a position too, and I'll take the cash. I don't lose nothing by it. And I gotta go here in a little bit anyway, and it's almost 12 o'clock. So
yeah, I'm ready to go.
I
really want to see this trade print though.
I don't see a reason to short, and every time we come to a low, they just start to buy. Let's see if we break this low.
Oh my God, this is annoying.
Man, oh man, oh man. Hey, Malik, thank God you made your money in the pre-market or in the overnight session, because trying to short this would have been suicide.
He said count suicide for real. Bro, you need to come on over to Top Step X, man. Quit playing with Apex, bro. Like, get your money on. You ain't gotta wait for your bread. Oh, you can't do it though, huh? You can't do it. My bad. I forgot. You can't get a Top Step X account. My bad. I forgot. Because it's not available. It's not available to everybody yet.
Which is weird because if you did the beta and you got the accounts, I can buy a Top Step X account. They'll let me do it. Because remember, I accidentally bought one, a full one. So
they give us like special access or something.
Yeah, I can. On mine, I can go and buy a Top Step X account right now if I wanted to. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Start a combine.
Yeah, I ain't never tried to just buy one once they gave us the new ones. Once they gave us the
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can definitely get Top Step X. Oh, but it does say early. Okay, it does say early access. So they are still in early access because they only have a limited amount of products. So I think what they're doing is once they get everything that they can get product wise, I think that's when they're gonna put it out.
Gotcha.
Because they don't have everything. All right, here comes the breakdown. Finally.
Oh, we breaking down? I stopped looking at this.
We're trying, but you know what we're bouncing off of? 535.
Hey, look, you know what my entry is now? 3475.
Oh, I think we're about to break 535. And they just put okay. Now they're trying to protect 550, which is the top of where we just came from. So
rest in liquidity up there, really nice. And look at how much is still happening at 3.5 now. Yeah, that's
and
good.
they took it off.
Now we're good.
Might be okay.
Get below the low. Just break the low one time, please. Thank you. Yeah, close.
We're finally gonna come down, but Jesus Christ!
Oh my God!
Yeah, sitting through that would not have been.
Yo, what was that, bro? Like, what are you doing? Oh, it was like it's over.
Uh-oh.
All right, now we're in 1150 to 1210 macro. Hey, it's not 1150. Oh, it's 12 Eastern. Okay, yeah.
All right, yeah. Looks like we're gonna come down now. That was painful.
Yeah, I loaded a lot of contracts. I started with 1 and now I'm at 20. So I'm risking 13K to make 60K.
That was painful.
Extremely painful. I ain't never been so stressed out in a paper trade in my life.
Dang. You said it drop. Look at the 15-minute though, or not the 15. Sorry, the 30-minute. If you look at the 30-minute and you draw a trend line from the high to the low, I'll share my screen.
Very steep trend line.
But we just rejected it to the tick.
Oh, to the high side or to the downside?
Look at the stream.
Oh,
so you can see the line that I drew.
Oh yeah,
we rejected it like perfectly.
Yeah, maybe that's why it was so tough for buyers to get up here. And this is exactly what it looked like last night. Like we came up here super bullish. We stood up there for so long, trapping buyers and sellers, and then we slowly trended down. And once we broke a low, we came back up one more time, and then we dumped it on everybody. And it came down fast.
And we just tapped that same trend line too that rejected last night as well.
We're below 35. What was that shit you was talking, Jimmy from the buying department? You getting fired today, mother lover.
Man, oh man.
What a freaking trade, bro. God.
Took this thing long enough.
How many times I would have cut this trade in real life? Oh, here we go. Here we go. The power of the bubbles, baby. Bubble power. Bubble power. It's an inside joke. You had to be there. Oh boy, this thing is melting. She's melting. Bubble power. Let's go.
Bubble power.
Bubble power. Man,
we're coming down.
I hope when Top Step finally get the Top Step X thing working, I hope they go back to 5 micros. That'll just be, once they release it officially, they go back to you being able to use your 5 micros. That'll be love. Which I feel like they have it.
You mean like 5? You mean like 5
in the
5 minis or 50 micros?
Yes, because they have to have it. It has to be a flick of a switch because they allow you to scale it up. You know what I mean? Like they obviously have the power to allow you to use it.
So what's really interesting, I was researching my funded futures the other day.
Yeah.
And they have two separate accounts. They have an expert account and then they have a basic account, right?
Yeah.
On their basic account, once you get funded, they have a mini scaling plan where they let you use the same amount of. I just sung go bubble power to the Power Rangers song. That's funny.
Must be short. She must be in the short too. She like,
hey, it's about this is the reversal coming right now here.
Yeah, this is the pullback. That was the breaker structure. Now we're gonna go up and hopefully we don't sweep the high. I feel like we already did that. So I'm hoping for us to come back up and retest the 50% because that was a lot of selling. And now there's a vested interest to protect.
Right? Yeah, but this is below that brought the high. So let's see what they do here.
Yeah, but we broke the structure. We did. The low that brought the original high from that consolidation. Right? That sweep, that was a new high. So that low was broken. So I'm expecting us to either come down and retest 50% or sweep the high. I just don't see a reason to sweep the high again. I feel like we already swept it, but I could be wrong. Who knows?
But anyway, they have this thing where on their expert accounts they do the same thing that Tops of X does, where you can only use 2 contracts, micros or minis, and it's like, but on your basic account you let people trade the minis. Why wouldn't you do it on the same?
I don't get it. I don't understand it. Like I get it because you think about it. Like if you let me use 5 micros and I funded the account off using 5 micros, and then when I get to the account, you tell me, well, you can only trade 2 micros until we say so, basically, until we get over a certain number. Well, you're doing 2 things. You're either forcing me to over leverage and go to play minis,
100% forcing them, right?
Or you're making it so it's very difficult for me to get to the $200 a day, right? Off the 2 micros, right? Because I mean, $200 a day is 50 points. Not saying that it's hard to get 50 points. I'm saying like most people scout, so it can be a little difficult to get 50 points. So at some point you got to make up your mind. Like the way I would do it, the way I'm thinking about doing it is like just making sure if whatever trade I take with the mini, I do it on day 1, like when I got the $2,000 drawdown. So if I F up, then I'll just go to micros the next day. You know what I'm saying? That's
to be completely honest with you, what I'm thinking about doing once I get one of these Tops of accounts funded is taking one trade in the overnight session with the mini where I have to risk a lot less to potentially get the cushion for the day.
Like
yeah. And then once I get the cushion for the day, then I can try to pad the stats with micros. Or if I want to trade a mini, I can trade a mini during the day and just know I'm risking my profit from the overnight session.
Nah, I'm trying to run this shit up. So once I get what I was trying to do is last night I was trying to run it up with the micros, which I think your idea is a lot better. But I'm kind of glad I didn't do that because mini I would have been toast real quick.
Yeah.
But I also wouldn't have been because I would have took profits when I was.
You would have taken profits a lot faster.
Yeah, on that first trade when I was up 20-30 points, I would have took the $400 right away and been like, I'm out. I got my cushion for the day. Like I'm good.
Exactly.
So that was the double-edged swords that I dealt with because that trade I was up 20 points. I just didn't take profit because it was 4 micros. You know.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy. Imagine that. Bubbles. Imagine us calling this entire trade with the bubbles.
We're coming down. We're coming down.
Yeah.
Thanks, Boyd.
Bubbles
I think it's a good way to do it, honestly.
Bubbles for the win. 20 minis, baby.
Power. All right.
All right, let's just get through VWAP and then I'll go to break even. If we break and retest VWAP, I'll go to break even. I can deleverage now, maybe. I don't know. These bulls, man, they scary. They scare me. Feel like the minute I deleverage, they're gonna come up here and sweep my shit.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, we inside of that macro now. Let it fall. Huh? All right. Because we came up super aggressive, so VWAP came up with it. The market kept moving after last night. I don't know what to tell you.
The market kept moving.
I don't know what to tell you.
Like, that was
VWAP wasn't gonna stand still all through the night. Like I don't know. It's just I don't know how to answer that.
Yes. Yeah, they're different.
Yeah. Yeah, VWAP on Bookmap is different based off what time I opened it. It's based off the data. So VWAP on, I'm looking at VWAP on the chart. I have it up on my chart.
Yeah, they're not different by much. They're different by like 10 points. For me, anyway.
Yeah.
Malik doing that thing again.
Malik's back, baby. Malik's back. Malik is back. Oh my gosh. Hey, Malik.
We can hear you.
We can't hear you. You sound like RoboCop.
You sound like RoboCop. Uh-oh.
It is. It's very difficult not to get and just do 5 points. Yep, that's what I think I might. That's what I think I might go to after last night, like filling all those little paper cuts. And then when I was winning, I wasn't taking profits because it didn't feel beneficial, right? So like I think I'm gonna toss that idea out the window and just trade the freaking minis. Right?
Yeah, trade the overnight session,
right? I don't know.
If you would have traded 1 mini in the overnight session and gotten 30 points on that 1 mini, you would have definitely taken that profit.
I would have taken.
You'd been like, oh, 30 points overnight on a mini? Give me that.
And I was definitely up 30 points. So.
Yeah, you'd have taken that in a heart. But instead, because you were trying to go for that 50 points, so you get to 200, and because it moves so slow,
I had to move more. Yeah. I had to get more points to get to my goal monetarily when I could have just gotten less points and been done trading on the first trade I took.
Exactly. And then you're not too concerned about it because you think about it like in the overnight session, you only really got to risk between like 10 points max in the overnight session, you know, like
yeah, to know if you're in the right direction or the wrong direction, you could probably risk 5 to 7 points. To be honest with you.
Yeah, but that's why I went to 10 points max. Like 10 points is probably about the highest you need to risk.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It moves basically like this. Basically, what we're reading right now, that's how the overnight session moves. Yeah, Good Friday, man. Motherfuckers, they didn't took off for the week.
Yeah, but
I don't know either, but I'm about to go, man.
I was literally about to say that my son is home. He's sick, and I gotta take him to the doctor in about 15 minutes.
This is whack. It looks like we might get ran. Our stop might get ran. I don't know. I don't care. It's a paper trade, ladies and gentlemen. I know this. It's always a pleasure to hang out with you guys. We appreciate everything you do for us. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Maybe by the end of the month, we'll get those last 2 subscribers. Who knows? Or 3 now.
We need 3.
Justin,
I didn't do that. Was you? And also, by the way, 26 people voted, and they said that 77% said no for the Bears winning the Super Bowl. Just so you know, so it's a little.
That means so you're saying there's a chance?
No, I'm not. No.
I'll take those odds, baby. 33% said hell yeah.
That also, it was a yes, not a hell yes, just a yes.
Whatever.
They weren't that enthusiastic about your Bears.
We will see you guys on the next show. We'll see you guys tomorrow, man. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.